Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of KeMedicine. I am joined by the players of polarity, the duo of dynamism, the killers of keto, the soldiers of science, Dr. EnQi, naturopath, and Dr. Tanei Ricks, PhD. We are back. This is episode 30.
3-0.
A big 3-0. It don't even feel like it. I don't know where time went, but we knocking these episodes out.
When you say 3-0, that automatically makes me think about, I don't know why, J Mills
versus Goods.
Man, that just popped right in 3-0.
That new J Mills was all right, though. The last one that just dropped.
Are you kidding?
It was all right.
What?
That was all right.
The one where he showed the shoes?
Yeah, it was all right.
Nah, you bugging. Fix your face. What you mean?
All right.
Yo, fix your face. That's crazy. That's blasphemy.
It was low budget studio work. The levels was off. The engineer ain't do his job. The beat was too loud. The beat was annoying. I'm gonna have to go ahead and give it like a 2 mics.
That's crazy.
Damn. This is out of 5, right?
Out of 5,
No,
yeah.
That 2 is out of 2.1. That's that 2 is out of 2.1. That was amazing. Stop this madness.
The other mill shit was alright, but no.
You just a contrarian right now. It's all right.
Yo, I know that ain't who I think it is. Talking about somebody being a contrarian.
That's right. Listen.
No, there's no way that just happened. There's no way.
That's a fact. That's
There's no way.
Some dumb gawa. Yeah. That's what happened just now. I tell you, that Mills joint was crazy.
Hold on, time out. Wait. Mike has bad news. Says, are we going to have a serious scientific talk tonight? Sit your ass in timeout, nigga. You gonna get what the fuck you get, motherfucker. That's what the fuck you gonna get. 5-minute timeout. Sit your ass in timeout. Think about what you did wrong. You gonna get what you get.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
Get whatever we give you, nigga.
HJ, hold on. Now you got to have some sort of way to treat the disabled folks. Now, what are we doing?
You just witnessed it. What do you mean?
No, that's not how you gonna do disabled people. Now, what are you doing, brother? This brother got something's wrong with his knees. What are we doing?
I rule with an iron fist, especially over the handicap. He better go do some knees over toes or something.
That's nasty. That's fucking nasty. Oh my god,
that is crazy. Hotep got rules and regulations. It's crazy in Hotep. The handicap is getting clotheslined.
Hey, listen, man, you gotta watch how. I have a rule. If you come correct, I come correct. You come in my chat acting all needy and shit. Like, first of all, nigga, how much did you put up?
Man, you need a hand, it'll go across your cheeks. Hey, give me a hand.
How many EnQi books do you got?
That's a good question.
How many EnQi
we know
books
you weren't going to object to that.
Yeah, no, he wasn't. Huh?
Well, listen, I haven't seen him in my chat before. I'm just saying, I've never seen him in my chat.
You know? This is ridiculous. Coming in the chat talking about we gonna have a serious conversation tonight. Have you ever seen us have a serious conversation, nigga?
Wait a minute, hold on now. Did he just insult us tonight? I'm not sure if we insulted or not. Are we insulted?
I mean, listen.
You confused. You don't know if we insulted or not.
I've been saying for the last month, this is a comedy show with some science in it. So,
some serious science.
Right.
You don't even get this type of science anywhere on the planet.
Get a large plate of comedy with a side order of science.
Yeah, that's yeah.
So I said I got more EnQi books than I'd like to count for real.
Let me get a tall drink. A tall order of trolling with ice in it.
I went and had some of that sweet tea from McDonald's just 2 days ago. Oh man, that shit hit the spot.
Let the trolling begin. Let the rage baiting begin. Let the rage baiting begin.
That sweet tea hit, boy. Because I had brought it home. I had got some of that fresh brew from the gas station. So then I ain't drink my McDonald's tea.
Down as possible. He's trying to take it as low as possible. Listen, it's too late, brother. We done already seen the movie trailer. All right, we already know what's happening. Okay, so what are we doing? Okay, let's get to the. What are you doing with that? Is it going to be the Tyler Perry production or the Master P? You selling it out the trunk? What we doing?
Master P. We going the Master P route. We sounded out the trunk, DVDs. Definitely no Tyler Perry. We ain't, unless if we get Unc in the dress, you know what I'm saying? We out of here.
Listen, don't disrespect and violate the blueprint now. I mean, Tyler Perry went from asking for some spare change to half of Georgia.
Yeah, he was taking the draws off a stranger. That's what the fuck he was doing.
Hey, listen, hold on now. Listen. You just relax. Uncle might take you to the promised land. I'm trying to get a roll in something. Listen, Uncle, if you got to put the dress on, I will understand and respect it. I will respect it.
Did you enjoy the trailer?
The trailer was magnificent.
Thanks, man. Thanks you. Appreciate that.
Trailer was very it was too good. Like y'all wasn't even supposed to be in that trailer. It was so good. I was confused at what I was watching.
Wait a minute, wait. You just asked. Wait, did we get insulted earlier? Did HJ?
I just got insulted. That was slick insult.
Listen. I had to watch that thing 5 times before I understood what was going on.
I know this ain't the same nature that's be trolling me on Tuesday. This can't be what I'm looking at.
Facts. I'm like, what is happening right now? Are they tricking them? Did they just put this together just to get everybody right? Like, is this high level trolling right here, or is this actually a trailer for a project?
It's a trailer for a project.
I had to watch that a few times. I was like, nope. There's too many details in this. This is not a throwaway.
It's professionally shot. It's coming out next Wednesday.
It's coming out next Wednesday.
Yeah, when do you think it was coming out?
It's coming soon.
Next Wednesday.
11/26.
11/26. I did the numerology on everything.
I peeped. I wasn't gonna say nothing, but I definitely peeped.
You know what I'm saying? If I drop it the night before, it lands on the 9. You know what I'm saying? So, but we're going to air it on Cannon's channel. He does movie night, so we're going to air it on Cannon's channel. So that's going to be lit. Y'all just got to wait for me because I got chess until 10 p.m., so y'all just got to wait for me. I don't know if Keisha going to be able to stay up late. You know, she falls asleep with her old ass.
So it's going to be free?
It's going to be free. It's a promo.
I know you scamming. I mean, Griffin. Yeah, I know you grifting. Period.
It's marketing. But yeah, it's free.
It's something because it's way too much quality. That was like that's way too high quality. Oh no, we're just giving that away for free. What? Is this HJ? What?
You know, everything is I
got attacked for weeks for saying the free word, like free. Did you say F? That's like a cuss word over here in Hotep. Free. What?
Movie. He said movie starting after 10 p.m. I gotta be up at 6 a.m. for work. Is there no better time? Sorry, bro. You better stay up, nigga. Keep your eyes open, nigga. 10 p.m. on Cannon Channel. I want to be there for the premiere. You know what I'm saying? Put my tuxedo on and lay in the bed and watch it on Cannon Channel.
You gonna be in the bed hot and shit.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah. So yeah, you know, it's you gonna be in the next one?
Who?
You.
Yeah, I'll be in the, what? Of course.
You gonna play a drunk battle rapper?
I don't mind. That's all right.
He gonna
He
play.
gonna throw all the science out the window to get in character for his little role.
He gonna be a washed up drunk battle rapper.
I actually already had a couple of roles. Thank you, Tanei.
Did any of them have anything to do with science?
Yeah.
No, grand opening, grand closing. Thank you.
Actually, science is a very loose term. Number one.
Here you go playing with words and shit.
No.
Oh, it's not exactly this. It's a little bit of this.
No.
Yeah,
He talking about cooking crack. That's the science he talking about.
No, well, that I had a role similar with, but that's not what I was talking about. There was a series from Philadelphia called Old Heads, and I was one of the old heads that dropped science on the youngins in the street. I'm dropping that science.
Oh, okay, so you played like
it wasn't science, but it was like, yo,
you played a community scholar.
Yeah, it was definitely
not exactly community scholar, more like the role of Nas in One Love. You know what I'm saying? Just like the older wise, the wise elder in the neighborhood.
Pop said he played himself. Yeah, man.
Had a little more grays than Nas did.
Heather said she'll be watching for.
Is that an Eagle sweater?
No comment.
Well, that is a very innocuous question. Why you can't answer it?
Is it?
Look, that looks like the old Philly logo.
I thought it was a bong.
No, it's an eagle.
A bong?
It's either a bong or a microscope.
Wow, you thought this was a drug addict emblem. That is crazy.
Oh, it is an eagle. Okay.
It's some kind of bird. I mean, it looked like an eagle from here.
Man said he thought it was a bong.
What kind of shirt is that? What brand is that?
Maybe it's a goose.
Is that goose? Chad, what is that? He said the Mufka's emblem. Get high.
He just don't want nobody to know where he get his clothes from. He just want to be. He's
trying to be
come out here with
exclusive.
the super swaggy clothes on, and he come out here saying he the poor righteous teacher. I can be a poor righteous teacher with Gucci on. Come on, man. Let's be honest here.
Stay in designer. Every episode he got, so I ain't never seen him repeat an outfit yet.
That is not true.
That's an American Eagle quarter zip. Oh, okay.
Wow.
What's up with the?
Thank you.
Who
Somebody
is dropping down?
Thank you.
Who did that? The chat, y'all look greasy in the chat. I just want y'all to know that is crazy.
Shout out to Glam for being, you know what I mean? She on top of the fashion shit.
Of course, Glam knew that. Thank you, Glam. Shout out to Glam.
What's up with the quarter zips? Is those in fashion? I see everybody on the timeline. They said quarter zip. I thought they was talking about selling something. I was like, is niggas moving drugs on the timeline?
The same thing they selling RFK. He off that book cassette.
What?
The Beatles got any new tunes? I got to get dressed for our science conversation.
The Beatles, man, we over 1,000 songs.
Oh my God. Why haven't you started a different channel for them yet?
Why would I do that?
Because you keep fucking up your algorithm. He don't know.
Every time he say something about technology, the boomer just jump right out of him. Like he gonna learn one day.
He gonna learn one day. So when you go live and do your science videos, the algorithm don't know if you're a rap artist or a scientist. So it's gonna be like, man, fuck this nigga and bypass you in the search. In the suggested.
Oh, that's interesting. That's what we've been doing.
Yeah, so you gotta take your songs and make a different account for the Beatles and put all your songs.
For that.
Well, you could. It's not too late. You might want to hurry up and.
No, it's too late. It's over 1,000. I'm not moving 1,000 anything. Yeah, it's a wrap.
No, you're gonna have to move it. See if can you transfer ownership of a. Just pay your kids to do it. Let's see. Transfer video from one YouTube channel I own to another. It's probably not a way to do it. You can transfer video from one YouTube channel you own to another by downloading it from the original channel and then uploading it to the new one.
Yeah.
Tell your kids to move them shits over one by one, yo. Do a few a day. Otherwise, you're gonna fuck up your algorithm, bro.
No, algorithms.
And you missing out on bread. You missing out on massive amounts of bread because having a music channel really get like your music channel could like do like tens of thousands of views. You could be making like $5,000 a month off the music.
I don't monetize it.
What?
Listen, you just said your movie coming out is for free. Don't you start harassing me.
All I'm saying is move the music to a new channel. Stop the boomer tech. I know you hanging out with, hoes of consciousness and, the community scholars and all of that. But it's time for you to level up. We're here to help you. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to change you, just give you some game. Help make you transition from the streets to the fame.
Well, already 1,100 songs and it's different.
Tonight.
Look, I, you know what? You saw the conversation earlier this morning. I'm not arguing with him no more. EnQi can do what he want to. EnQi don't listen. EnQi hit harder than concrete. I ain't gonna keep arguing with him.
This is frustrating. Old dog, new tricks.
Listen, stay focused.
Says the person with 1,100 AI songs. Tell somebody else to stay
First
focused.
of all, I don't have AI songs. Stop disrespecting Kepler and the Beatles.
This nigga be logged in
this level of disrespect that I have to endure.
Suno songs. He got them Suno songs.
And abuse.
It's crazy.
And abuse.
Songs is nuts. Holy shit.
I want to know how he got time to write all them damn songs. That means he wrote 1,100 songs. Either that or the AI's generating the lyrics too.
Well, I had like 29 albums back in the days before I started writing books.
Oh, okay. So you just transferring those?
I 100%.
No.
Oh.
I'm just a writer.
Them Suno songs be hitting?
I don't know about no Suno songs. I don't know what you're talking about. If you want to violate the integrity of Dr. Kepler and the Beatles.
What studio do they record out of?
Detroit Studios.
I know what studios they at. Patreon.com/Dr. EnQi. That's the studio they at.
Crazy abuse. Wow. Bullying. Isn't there rules against bullying on the internet?
Yeah, turn it off. How you get cyberbullying? Just turn the shit off.
Well, y'all
put your phone down.
Right now.
Oh God, this is absolutely ridiculous. EnQi dropping music like Gucci Mane did mixtapes. Facts. Dr. Kepler working the Beatles to death. Right.
No, the Beatles have.
Uh-oh. Jeremiah said, I'd like to bring up charges on Dr. EnQi. Oh, shit.
This nigga stay in court, dog.
What are the charges?
Randomly coming out of the chat off the top rope. It's crazy.
What are the charges, Jeremiah? We're going to need you to file a petition with the court. Charge 1, flooding dozens upon dozens of my YouTube feed with sub 5-minute videos. Charge 2, using a mouth with fully shown teeth as the video thumbnail.
Yo, that thumbnail is crazy. I'm not gonna hold you. That thumbnail is crazy.
What thumbnail?
Jeremiah, you better not come to my page. You getting blocked. Just
that
letting you know.
Is crazy. I did see it though.
So you might as well just unsubscribe so you don't have to see any of those video thumbnails.
Wait, which thumbnails is he talking about?
That's how we can take care of that. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3 Z.
It's a thumbnail with some lips, and the lips got teeth behind them, and it's got some gold teeth in there. Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Where is that? I see a bunch of fucking Beatles music. I just hit videos, and all his recent videos is all Beatles music. Where's this teeth stuff he's talking about? Is he talking about the Beatles? I am scrolling. Let me show y'all what I'm looking at.
Scrolling. Stop looking.
I can't
Just
stop
move
scrolling.
on. Just move on.
Boy, people do not look like you ain't putting the shit out there. It's not gonna take long to find. Like,
What is this? Jesus Music 175? He really do got 1,000 songs. You were serious?
Yeah.
Who's doing
1,000? Over 1,000.
Who's doing the artwork? No comment?
Me and Dr. Kepper have been working very closely.
He said I get up and the whole damn timeline is EnQi Chipmunk songs. Yeah, he got to drop some music on Jay-Z's platform.
Oh,
The video's dropping at 2 a.m.
damn! What do you be doing?
This is crazy. How he got so many damn songs? This nigga turned into a music producer overnight.
He following his passions. I'm not mad at it.
I just want him to do it on a different channel.
What
And
I
then
do
you
is
can't drop
I have the music
you can't
while I'm writing. So as I'm writing books, you know, me and some of the people that appreciate good music from the ancestors.
You can't drop. How many videos is this? 100 in a day? You are confusing the shit out of the algorithm, yo. You can't drop 100 records in one day.
Well,
And you have study hall going at the same time too. Yeah, man, you tearing your algorithm up.
Tearing it up.
study hall happens with the music.
What happens in study hall? Natty, we tried to tell him. We tried to tell him create another channel. He said it's 1,000 and it just is what it is. And I'm like, no, you got to create another channel, bro. He not listening, yo.
Feel free to one of y'all get a round trip ticket, come on out to the house, and I will gladly pay you Tuesday for you to move 1,100 songs today.
This is crazy. When you said 1,100, I thought you was like exaggerating.
You should know that was not hyperbole. When he said 1,100, he definitely meant 1,100.
I'm still scrolling.
Well, stop scrolling. I said we were supposed to move on.
I'm still scrolling. He's got like 10 albums on here. That's that fucking 100 albums.
10 out. That's crazy.
What is this? Yo, how much? I'm still scrolling. How are you putting out so much? This is, I don't know. I don't know, EnQi.
I never sleep, because sleep is the cousin of death. Be on the walls of intelligence. Life is defined.
So how do you get the science info out?
I never sleep, because sleep is the cousin of death. Be on the walls of intelligence. Life is defined. For me, it's the same thing. When you read the books, you will notice that in the books, it says repeatedly over and over and over, a very simple 3-word phrase. God is music.
You know, I went out to 125th Street.
Wait, listen. In the books, it says over and over and over, God is music.
I went out to 125th Street. Is that 125th and Malcolm X Boulevard? Is that what that is? Where Sa set up?
No.
Where the Magic Johnson Theater?
Yeah.
125th and Malcolm X, right?
I think it's between 7th and 8th.
Okay, there you go. 7th and 8th. Yeah. So,
I think only people that don't live there use the words.
Really?
Yeah, we don't.
You don't call it Malcolm X Boulevard?
Yeah.
Oh.
The only thing we use is probably, like, I think people say Linux.
They say Lennox.
Linux, Saint Nick.
Saint Nick, yeah.
Yeah, but pretty much it's
So Malcolm
7th
X don't get no
Avenue, 8th
love?
Avenue. No, it's 7th Avenue, 8th Avenue.
Why y'all don't call it? Why y'all just omit Malcolm X?
I don't know.
Oh, all right. That's crazy to the lineage. But yeah, I went out to 125th and I realized that it's no hope for niggas. That's what I learned. I learned that there's no hope for niggas. We are cooked because if our community scholars, don't know how to work the internet, it's not going to work out too well for us. And then, the sad part is they don't know. So we try to tell them how to do it. And they're like, nah, I got 1,100 songs online. I got 1,100 songs. And it's just like, okay, well, I guess we're just not going to get the information to the people. It's just, I guess this is what we're doing. We just charity work for the same 5 people over and over again. I don't know.
15 people. Just watch your step there, buddy. We can max out at 23, 24 people.
I told him, boys. I told him he's ruining his algorithm. He just won't. I don't know. And we can't give him court. We can't take him to court for that because it's his channel, So all we can do is just pray over him and hope he gets Christ in his life. EnQi is 2 episodes away from calling everybody in Hotep pseudo. So we had this discussion this morning. I woke up to a heated debate between EnQi and Tanei this morning. 1 in the chat if you watch House of Consciousness. 2 in the chat if you only watch House of Consciousness when EnQi is on, or 3 if you don't watch at all. 1 if you watch, 2 if you only watch when EnQi's on, 3 if you don't watch at all. We got some 3s, we got some 2s, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Currently, we're talking about currently, not in the past.
No. None of that. 4 if you lying your ass off. 4 in the chat if you lying your ass off.
Tika said 1 and 2. Tika might have to get a timeout on Hotepistan. Maverick's View said 1 and 2.
4 in the chat if you are lying your ass off. 4 in the chat.
So it seems like they only watch when you on. EnQi.
That is a lie.
That's what they said.
Well,
how is that a lie? How do you know that's a lie?
Because they're not.
Be a lie?
Because they're not following me to my page. That's very, very simple. If they were watching me, they would also be watching me on my page.
But they can't because you got
Watching
100 songs uploaded in one night, so the algorithm done fucked it up.
No. They wasn't watching me. I got the same numbers now as I had before I was loading music. Same numbers, same people. So all of these people that's over there watching House of Consciousness are the people that watch House of Consciousness regularly. And when I appear, then we see EnQi over here on House of Consciousness.
Yeah, that was
okay.
Yes.
That's just like somebody bumping into their PO at the nightclub. Like, wait a minute, what are you doing here in the PO? What are you doing here in the nightclub? Well, what are you doing here in the nightclub?
He said he stopped watching when they stopped bringing SETI and Young Pharaoh on. Yeah.
That's crazy. That just tells me a lot about that individual.
SETI and Pharaoh goated. I don't know what you talking about.
SETI and Pharaoh snort cocaine.
That's okay though. You know what I'm saying? Everybody got a little issue with them. I smoke Newport. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is.
No, you don't.
Sometimes I do.
No, you don't.
If somebody got one, I'm gonna ask for one.
You watched the trailer. He was smoking a cigarette in the trailer.
I was smoking a cigarette in the trailer.
What
up, Lauren?
Hold on.
Okay, so the cigarette just lit up on its own. It
Hello.
got dark orange on its own.
He was acting.
Nothing that
in-
HJ was doing.
That cigarette got smoked while I was acting.
Well, that just vindicated all of my charges.
All right, chat. 4, if you watch HOK when EnQi's on, and you watch EnQi when he's on his channel. 5, if you don't watch EnQi on his channel.
6, if you're confused because it's too many numbers.
You just added another one to make it more confusing.
Make it more confusing. See what he did there? So they watching you on your channel. Heather's a 5. Okay, so we gotta get Heather locked in. Tika Tari's a 4. Yeah, they watch you. They watch you.
I've definitely seen people from the chat in EnQi's chat. Sauce
Right.
was over there the other day.
We're talking about.
There'd be more of us than anybody else.
No. We're talking about House of Consciousness.
No, we talking about your channel.
Your channel.
that's what
No.
you
We're talking
talking
about House of Consciousness. Okay, so first of all, I have the right to face my accusers. So what we need to start doing, we need to start this conversation over and identify who these people are that are in the House of Consciousness chat.
Sir, nobody could identify you if you
Because
stayed
they're
your ass
clearly
off from over there.
subscribed to Sinetta.
If you stayed your
they
ass
are
off from
clearly
over there, nobody would be
subscribed to
able to identify
HOK.
you. How
They
you
are
get mad from
clearly-
being seen somewhere you
No,
ain't supposed to
they
be
are
at?
clearly
If
subscribed
you were
to
over
his
there,
channel.
nobody can see you.
They are clearly subscribed to his channel, which is the reason they're getting the notifications in the first place.
No, that's not. See, that's that boomer shit. No, that is not how the YouTube algorithm works. If for some reason, you watch one of those videos will start appearing in your algorithm, whether or not you're subscribed to them.
Yeah.
Oh, so if you watch the channel, then it'll start popping up on your feed.
He said he's not subscribed
Okay,
to HOK.
there we go.
He
But
said
you're
he's
watching
not.
the vid-
Nobody
according
said
to
they weren't
Tanei-
seeing you on there. Stop it. No, because you're trying
Yo,
to make this something else. No, nobody
No.
said they weren't seeing you
Listen,
on there.
Sinetta's
It does
channel
not matter
is getting
who
the
is on the
exact
broadcast.
same amount of
It does
views.
not matter who is on the broadcast. If you
Sinetta's
go to
getting the
channel,
same amount of views
if
as
you
he
go
has
to
been
the channel,
getting,
it
sir.
does not matter who is on
Hello.
there. If you go
Sinetta
to the
is getting
channel,
the same amount of
you go
views
to
as
the
he's
channel,
been getting.
if you go to the channel,
Hello.
if you go to the channel, it don't
You do
matter.
realize I have
It don't
practice
matter.
at interrupting and talking over people from
We
doing
know you got
philanthropic
years
work.
of practice.
Wait,
You
have
got
you been
years of
actually
practice.
watching the philanthropic work?
He's an expert in that shit now. Just Enough said, not gonna lie, I unsubbed from EnQi's channel when he clogged my feed with some AI videos.
Good. We are cleansing right now. We're cleansing our soul.
His channel got a detox program.
That's correct. We're cleansing right now. A little bit of music is stopping you from getting
Terrible.
health
Absolutely
information that you can't get anywhere else. That's not on me. That's on you.
No, that's you know what? That's a valuable lesson that person just let you know of, and you just zooming straight.
I got you. I zoomed right past it. I got you.
You should, anytime you do anything with the internet, you should just call us first. Like, should I do this? So we can tell you yes or no. You need an internet chaperone.
Okay.
You know?
Yes, sir.
That shit went in one ear out the other. I told you, EnQi had harder than damn
Yeah,
concrete.
hard-headed.
You listen to us.
Don't this nigga know he could be popping by now? I'm trying to get this nigga, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get this nigga to go global and get him on Fox News. I can make one phone call, man. You be on Fox tomorrow. Man. But they gonna go to your channel and be like, this guy, nobody
So
watches
can you
him.
make one phone call and get me on Fox, or can you make one phone call and get Fox people to watch my YouTube channel? I mean, those are two different things. One phone call and get me on Fox is not the same as one phone call and get them to come watch my YouTube channel.
I can get them to watch a YouTube channel.
They don't need to. We got KeMedicine episodes. They can just come watch this.
Yeah. But they need Jet School. They need Jet School. Who
They
does?
really don't need Jet School because if Jet School was needed, we wouldn't let a little free music run us off.
1,100 is not a little. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that out there. That's
people have to pay tuition. People have to pay tuition to go to other places to go to school and learn.
So the cost of
so if you have to be slightly inconvenienced by free music,
songs. Okay.
Listen, I don't know what to tell you. Jesus, listen, God is music.
Markel
That's
said
a part of the program.
EnQi got PTSD from Hose of Consciousness, so he thinks everything is an attack. Yeah, he don't realize we trying to help him. Like we care about the old man. You know what I'm saying?
I said that a long time ago. He don't listen though. It's okay. We still love him.
You know the road to hell is paved with good intentions, right?
We not in hell. We in Hotep staying. So, so what we doing?
That's a good question.
Say EnQi can fill up an iPod with them songs. He got 3 gigabytes of fucking material.
Oh.
That's more than my entire playlist on Spotify. He got more songs than Spotify got.
We're working on it.
Don't drop no more songs on that channel.
He fit to drop 20 tonight.
Don't drop, EnQi, please. Just make a new channel for Kepper and the Beatles and just drop the new ones over there. Don't drop no more over there. I'm going to unsubscribe from your channel. You drop another fucking track on there. I'll never watch another show if you drop another track on there.
You ain't been over there in a minute.
Yo, EnQi is the pettiest person on this channel, dog. Like, it's not even close. It's
so petty. Close. So petty. First of all, this nigga goes live while I'm live, then tell me I ain't on his channel. Like I'm supposed to watch your shit while I'm doing my shit.
Now you want to run from the camera.
You know what I'm saying? Or this nigga, you know what I mean? This nigga is going live while I'm asleep. Talk about I ain't been there in a while. Can you get a schedule, nigga?
We have a drug dealer schedule.
I see.
We work the block nonstop.
And half the time it'd be like late at night he'll be on and I'll see it on X. And I'll be
no, because here's what happened. I'm usually writing like 12 or more hours a day. So instead of what I would normally do is just like not go live in that time, now I can go live and just listen to music while I'm writing. And I can allow people to like be in the chat while I'm at home writing my books. So I don't feel like I'm by myself writing books anymore.
We're not saying you can't listen to music. We're just saying put it on a different channel. I mean, you know, the crazy thing too is that like if you actually put it on a different channel, that channel will probably blow up faster because you're putting so much content out on it.
Word. That channel grow. It'll grow like crazy. People like, oh, this is the music channel. This is the study hall channel. You know what I'm saying? You gotta segment shit out. I do my money shit on a separate channel. I don't do my money shit on my Hotep Jesus channel. The Grifties ain't on my channel. The Grifties got its own channel. You gotta segment your shit out. The algorithms, that's how the algorithm pumping right now. Otherwise, that shit just gonna be like, fuck this nigga and bury you. You know? Black Rain over on X said, what is going on? Hey man, we just, you know, we trying to get the elderly right. You know, we trying to get the elders right. That's all.
That is not a fact. You just put a handicapped person in timeout.
What do elderly and handicap have to do with anything? Like those
what
are
you talking about?
Things.
That goes
we have
together.
420 now.
No, that is not. Those are not mutually okay.
We have 420 subscribers. We just had 400 last week. That's what's up. Natty said he got 4 YouTube channels. Yeah. Young Pharaoh used to do that too. He used to have like 4 different channels.
See, that's not.
See, that you shouldn't have said that. He definitely not.
He ain't want to hear that.
He's definitely not doing it now.
I gotta get Young Pharaoh on one of these episodes. We gotta get a special guest invite to KeMedicine and have Young Pharaoh pull up, drop some science on us.
This is straight trolling. Who was that person again earlier? Who was that? Mike with the bad? What he said? Mike with the bad knees or no knees? I'm starting to think he was pretty sharp.
Like knees from him.
I'm starting to think Mike was pretty sharp. Mike, I'm sorry we disrespect. I'm sorry I participated in disrespecting you, brother, because clearly you were trying to make sure that I was okay. You were actually trying to work. I didn't see it. I was slow. I didn't understand what you was doing. You was trying to look out for me. That's what you was doing.
Are you ready to
Mike
play
was
some?
Trying to make sure I was okay. Because this right now, I got you, Mike.
Are you ready to play some music? I'm about to put my science, my lab coat
on. Am I ready
on.
to play some music for this commutative ingrates? I wish I would let Jeremiah hear another song.
He just called the whole community ingrates. Oh, Lord. This is worse than when Ronan crashed out on this. Damn, Che, he called y'all ingrates.
Disgusting.
Sleepy said he feels attacked.
These are people that have bought books, bought Purple Phase, bought Blue Magic.
And there's Jeremiah, so let's not gloss over Jeremiah.
Glenn said we still love you, EnQi. Pop said, but Hotep's and Hotep
just
stayed
snitched
too
on
nice.
me. What you talking about? Glenn just snitched on me. Glenn just finished dropping dime. That's the quarter zip American Eagle Classic. This is crazy.
I can't believe that nigga said Hotep's was nice in the chat. In the you could always tell who be checking our content and who don't, cause they come in with the most opposite take of what we are, and I'll be like, yo, what the fuck? Glenn said he was getting on her nerves. Oh God, he's the worst, yo. I think he's a little retarded though. I think he's a little remedial.
Are y'all talking about Mike with the bad knees?
No, we had a Twitter Spaces earlier for the movie premiere, and yeah, there was a guy in the space, and he was. Sleepy said, I almost stopped working. I saw you come up to the stage, Sleepy. I put you up there, and then you disappeared. I didn't know what happened. He said, HJ be timing niggas out for laughing too hard. Right, like, nice. Nice is the furthest thing from what we are. We are savages in Hotepistan. Here we go. Here go the music. Let's go. Kepper and the Beatles. Back at it again.
All right, so we have...
Yeah, that's Goldstein's new Mildred.
We have 100 songs in our new playlist. We have 200 songs in our Jesus music playlist. 134 songs in our jazz playlist. And so on and so forth like that. Just relax, HJ.
I didn't say anything.
You didn't have to. Your silence was very loud.
He's got slam dunking astronauts. Lord Jesus. I don't know what's going on. They should have never gave niggas technology. That's the issue. You forgot to share the sound, EnQi.
Every time I think I'm in shape.
Oh, there we go. I think I hear something now. Or is that on your side? That's on EnQi's side. EnQi, you got to share the sound when you share. HJ too nice. There we go.
The new book is on Barnes and Nobles.
Every time I think I'm in shape, God tell me carry more weight. I feel stuck in place, going the same pace. When I wanna fly, I wanna fly, I wanna fly. Oh God, raising young legends, gotta do something different. Earn me a certificate. couple hundred books. Reverse cancer, drop 1,000 hooks. Immortal move, chessboard rook. Weight of the world is an anvil. Chains on my wings, yet I stand still. Every time I think I'm in shape, God tell me carry more weight.
I love you, Dr. EnQi.
Intelligent heaven is one of her thesis. Mind of God, tell her, telekinesis. Tell her. Intelligent heaven is one of her thesis. Mind of God, tell her, telekinesis. Tell her. Universe painted in the strokes of collisions. Electron and proton, internal decision. Chasing in circles, magnetic submission. Love is all matters, quantum religion. Fields turn electric, hearts turn kinetic. Static in the cosmos, love's unapologetic. They push a dance universal. Gravity's gospel, the hymns eternal. They intelligent heavens, the hell of a thesis. Mind of God, tell her, telekinesis. Tell her. Intelligent heaven, the hell of a thesis. Mind of God, tell her, telekinesis. Tell her. Electrons pull the protons, the force unbroken. Magnetic fields wrap round a vow unspoken. We belong together, no space can divide. Universal law, ordained love can't hide. Deep in the atom where silence hums loud. A romance unseen wrapped in quantum shrouds. The spin of affection, attraction profound. Orbiting hearts in a subatomic sound.
There we go. Beatles and Kappa. The Kappa and the Dr. Kappa and the Beatles. He's gonna have a whole concert.
Your touch sends shivers down my spine. I'm caught, I'm locked, I'm lost in time. Sparks jumping off your skin. This is where it all begins. Your aura's electric, your pull magnetic. I'm drawn, I'm gone. I love you like a proton. Love's an electron. Pull to you like planets to the sun. This is cosmic. This is real. You're the force I can't conceal. I love you like a proton. Love's an electron.
All right.
Dr. Kappa and the Beatles. Scarab listening party, yeah. So we got some interesting science to discuss with you guys tonight. My name is Dr. Mufkazut. I'm here reporting for duty. Very important science conversation we're going to have tonight. It seems that RFK is getting high off the Mufkazut. Powerful psychedelic that gives people near-death experiences. What is he smoking on? Is this the shrooms?
A loud pack.
DMT.
What's that loud pack?
That's super loud if we doing DMT. Isn't DMT already in your brain?
According to Phil Valentine.
Wait. So there's no DMT in your brain? It's dimethyltryptamine in the brain, no? Thanks, fam.
Phil Valentine.
Tanei?
Ain't nobody going to prison with you, man. Ain't nobody going to jail with you, man. Going to jail.
Okay. So
Yeah, the pineal gland produces DMT, right?
Listen,
It will
ayahuasca.
produce-
Listen, hold on. For the record, before you get yourself in trouble, I just want to say ayahuasca and mushrooms are illegal. And then go ahead and carry on.
There is endogenous production. There is endogenous production. How much? I can't say, but if you have a system that responds to a ligand, then that means that there is something that is produced like that in the body.
Ligand. Wait, hold on. Wait. Oh, I gotta specify science.
Get high by looking that up.
I gotta specify science. Ligand as a science term. The correct spelling is ligand. That's what I did. Oh, it has a D at the end. Oh, ligand.
It's ligand.
Ligand. Okay.
Is how you pronounce it.
A ligand is an atom, ion, or molecule that binds to a central metal atom or ion to form a coordination complex.
Oh, okay. So you're going into the organometallic definition, which does also happen in the body too, but that's going in a different direction. We also call things that bind to receptors. We also call them ligands too.
Okay, I see that one here.
We use it interchangeably.
It says a substance which can be a small ion, molecule, or even large protein or antibody that forms a complex.
But pretty much almost everything floating around in your body besides cells and organelles.
Are ligands?
It can be.
Usually a larger protein called a receptor. Wait, receptors are proteins?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, everything is a fucking protein.
Enzymes and receptors are your two biggest classes of...
And so we might as well start it up now.
I got a book on it. Is it the composition? He gonna bring up composition. Protein.
The protein composition book. I just want to make sure that we are on the right track.
Everything is a proteins.
Yeah, so your body generally is going to be composed of either structural proteins, fibrous proteins, or globular proteins, and the receptors are generally globular proteins.
Globular proteins. Can you see these under a microscope?
Depends on what kind of microscope you're using.
But
what do you have to use? Like an electron microscope?
I think you might have to use a scanning. Let me see.
A scanner?
A scanning electron microscope. Let me see.
Globular protein is a type of protein with a compact, roughly spherical shape that is generally soluble in water. This unique structure allows them to perform a wide variety of vital biological functions, unlike fibrous proteins, which primarily serve structural roles. Wait, what?
So your fibrous proteins are like your connective tissue, hair, skin, nails, stuff like that. Anything that provides any kind of structure or integrity to the molecule is going to be a fibrous protein.
Like your collagens, stuff like that.
Yeah, so you need.
But this is where diabetes is related.
It use cryo-EM. Yeah, so the two most common, especially when you want to sequence or you want to look at proteins with their ligands attached, one of the popular techniques is cryo-EM. So cryo-EM is cryo-electron scanning microscopy. So that's I was actually reading a paper about that the other day.
Really super high powered microscope.
Yeah, so you need something that can at least see in the nanometer range. So if you have a microscope that can give you nanometer resolution, then you can look at proteins.
So quick news update from the community scholars neighborhood. One of the community scholars says, "What does a convex lens has to do with biology?"
You talking about Cedric? Don't bring that. Anyway, so yeah, you can use a cryo EM. You can also do atomic force microscopy. You apply force to something. You can get topography. So topography is kind of like surface imaging. So you get surface imaging of a protein if you use atomic force microscopy. So,
Pop Hotep said globular protein sounds like a good time.
Only somebody named Pop. Crazy. But here's the thing.
EnQi, this looks like Kemet, yo. I pulled up a picture of a ligand, and this shit, one in the chat, this shit looked like Kemet. Tell me this is not an upside down pyramid right here. Is this not like a floating pyramid or some shit?
Well, I mean, the structures that can fit into receptor pockets take a lot of different shapes. So
really? Mm-hmm. Even a pyramid shape?
Yeah.
Pyramid shape is popular.
Yeah, it take a lot of different geometric shapes. Yeah.
Yo, what if Kemet was built around proteins? What if those is protein structures?
That theory's on the table.
Wow. It looked like space, right? Mars? Yeah. It looked like some Hoteps went to Mars and started building shit.
The thing is, energy has very specific repeating motifs. So geometry has repeating. Nature uses the same patterns over and over and over again.
Triangle is the most stable, simple structure. Well, triangle is the first stable, simple structure. It's the first structure, period.
Right. So take what I just said, take what you just said, and now think about a water molecule.
H2O, okay. That's a triangle.
There you go.
Yeah, that's definitely
everything is built on it.
Everything's built on water?
All living things.
True. Damn. That's crazy.
Water. Yeah, that's fine.
Nah, wait, go ahead. What were you about to say? You about to say some super deep shit, I know.
No, that's good enough. That's good enough for our audience. That's good enough.
Damn, he said we too stupid.
That's not what that is not what I said. No. What I was about to say is not needed. So it's just extra information.
He said y'all niggas too stupid.
No.
I'm gonna save this for my Nobel Peace Prize friends.
Since AJ want to put me on the spot, I'll go ahead and say what I was gonna say. So when we look at shapes,
we know you hang out with the Nobel Peace Prize people and all that shit.
No, stop it.
Nobel laureates and shit.
Stop it. Okay, so when we look at shapes and we look at the shapes of molecules, we look at two different kinds of geometry. We look at electron geometry and we also look at molecular geometry. So electron geometry is what a shape would look like if all of the electrons were in a bond. So
okay.
And there's a specific motif that each one goes by. So if you have two pairs of electrons that are in a bond, then that's always a linear shape. If you have 3, it's trigonal planar. If you have 4, it's a tetrahedron. If you have 5, it's the trigonal bipyramid. But it changes in the molecular geometry because the molecular geometry looks at what it actually looks like in space. And so when electrons are not in a bond, they occupy more space because they're trying to get away from each other. So it's a theory in chemistry called VSEPR, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. And so essentially, remember, electrons are negatively charged. They're the same charge though, so like charges repel each other.
Right.
When electrons are not shared in a covalent bond and they're just allowed to be a lone pair, they occupy more space because the electrons are trying to get as far apart from each other as possible. So that actually changes the 3D shape if that bond is a lone. If that bond is a lone pair. So if you have something, water. So water's central atom is oxygen. Oxygen typically likes to make 2 covalent bonds and have 2 lone pairs. So its electron geometry would be a tetrahedron but the actual 3D representation is, we call it bent, but it'll look like a triangle in space. But then you have two lone pairs that have a cloud around the oxygen, and so you'll have tetrahedral like features, but when you actually look at it, it looks bent. So you got two different geometries that you have to look at when you're looking at how molecules are actually look like what they actually look like in space versus what their general design is based on the number of bonds that they can make.
So it changes shape.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't change shape.
It does change shape. What do you mean it doesn't change shape?
Because it's not changing shape. It's just two different ways of looking at it. I feel like you just trolled us.
How am I trolling? That's in every chemistry book.
Okay, so is it triangular shape?
No, it's bent. So we call it bent, but there's three different kinds of bent because the angle changes.
Right, but is it triangular?
It looks like a triangle. Yes,
Oh,
I said
okay.
that.
All right.
I
Okay.
said that.
Okay.
I said that.
Oh, all right, so I'm done.
Jesus.
It's like on different planes, right? Because if it's bent, then one of those electrons would.
So if you're looking at it like this, so if this is if the oxygen is here, like
That's
between
apex.
my
I'm doing
fingers,
science.
then if you were looking at it in 3D space, it will look like this if you're looking at it head on. But if you were to turn it to the side, you could see the two electron clouds coming out.
Oh,
So
okay.
when you look at molecules, like a lot of people don't look at the geometry of a molecule as having a 3D shape, because when we look at molecules, we typically look at them on paper. And so it a lot of times doesn't correlate to people that these things have a 3D shape. They're not 2D, they're not flat on the page. So we use wedge and dash notation to show when things have a three-dimensional shape. So if you look at something that has a central atom and it has four bonds around it, so the electron geometry would be tetrahedral, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you're looking at that thing that has four bonds flat on the page, you see one atom in the middle, and then you see four bonds coming off of that atom.
Mm-hmm.
When you see those four bonds, if you don't show wedge or dash, you assume that they're all in the same plane.
Hold on.
Okay.
Are you going to tell them?
Yes.
I mean, it sounds self-explanatory to me and you,
No,
wedge and dash, but
yeah,
I'm
I'll
sure
get
that people don't know what a wedge or a dash
Dash
is.
means there's a
Yes.
bond there. A double dash means there's a double bond.
No.
No.
So
A covalent bond.
It looks like a door stop that you would put under the door. It's like a dark black wedge. That's what it is.
Oh.
yes.
So it
it's a
shows
wedge.
the 3D
So-
when it's popping out, or you have a clear one or kind of clear to show that it's going the other direction.
Oh.
So again, as I was saying, if you have a central atom and you do not see a wedge or a dash, you assume that all four of those bonds are in the same plane,
Okay. They're flat.
but they're not.
Mm.
So when you're looking at a tetrahedral structure, two of your atoms are in the same plane as the central atom. The other two are in opposite planes, and those are the ones that are shown by wedge and dash. If you have a wedge is a wide black line. That means that that bond is pointing towards you. So that means that that bond is physically coming out of the page towards you.
Mm.
If you have a dash, that means that the bond is going into the page.
Mm.
And so each one of those angles that's coming off of the central angle has a defined number. So I think for tetrahedral atoms, the angle between the bond and the central atom is 109.5 degrees.
Mm.
And so each one of these shapes has a specific angle for for the distance of the atoms away from each other in the central atom. And it's all dependent upon how the electron pairs repel each other.
Damn. That's deep.
And so that's important because of receptor recognition. So let's say you have a ligand, right?
Mm.
And so there are actually some drugs that are like this. Let's say you have a ligand, and on paper, like let's say you have like amino acid, and you can have two different amino acids. You can have an L amino acid or a D amino acid. I won't go too far in that, but essentially it's just telling you how in space the important parts, the recognition part of the amino acid is in space.
Wait, what?
You have amino acid or D-amino acid.
In the human body?
No, in general. No, you don't. You only get one in the human body.
Oh, that's what I'm about to say. You sounded
please?
crazy to me. I'm just saying, you going on. I'm like,
Can I
wait, what did
please
he just
finish my
say?
point? Can I please
Okay,
finish
go
my
ahead.
point? God. All right. So in the receptors will only some receptors will only recognize specific ligands. And you have to have the correct spatial orientation for the receptor to actually recognize it. If you have a different stereoisomer is a different configuration of the same molecule in space. So something being wedged versus being dashed. So something coming out towards you versus something going back away from you.
Mm-hmm.
You'll have those different recognition elements inside of your ligands, and receptors can actually sense that. And if you have the wrong stereoisomer, sometimes your receptor won't recognize it. And that's on purpose so that it knows that this is not the thing it's supposed to be interacting with. And so molecules as a whole, when they interact with things in the body, there are spatial elements that you have to think about. Your molecules are not flat on the page. You have to think about how they actually look in 3D. And when you think about how they look in 3D, the body recognizes them in 3D too. So we have to show them as being in 3D to fully understand like how they're interacting with receptors, with enzyme active sites, because all of these have very specific points in space. And if that spatial orientation is not met, then this thing is not going to do what it's supposed to do.
Okay, now just for the record, make sure you go ahead and clean up that L versus D thing real quick.
So there's only one type of amino acid your body can't. Your body only makes one type of amino acid. It's escaping me now because you don't put me on the spot. But you don't make both L and D in the human body. Pretty sure it's L. You only make that one. You don't get the other one. The other ones are unnatural. Your body does not synthesize those. You can synthesize the other ones in a lab, and a lot of times people do to probe those specific interactions. So sometimes if you want to look and see if a receptor will interact with the D isomer, then you can just make it in a lab. And a lot of times it's just switching the stereochemistry of your switching the stereochemistry of your side chain.
Yeah. Now, when you say it's coming out the page and going in the page.
Hold on. What is that box right there? That might be incompatible with your science jacket. What are you doing right now? There's no way I can nitpick his L and D isomers and allow you to get away with whatever that is right there.
It's a box.
That's wow.
It's a box of chicken.
Wow. All right.
There's a lot of amino acids in there.
Look the other way.
They got amino acids in here, right?
Just go ahead, Tanei. What was you saying? Back to Tanei. What was you saying, Tanei? Go ahead. Come on.
There's amino acids in this chicken.
Tanei.
You got some globular proteins in there. You got some fibrous proteins. You got a lot going on.
You know what? After Pop said that, I think that does require a pause. I don't know what. That sounds crazy. Pop threw it out there. Now it does sound slightly crazy. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I'm supporting black business, man.
So this is like, long story short,
but if it's going in or out.
There's no way to do that. Don't do that. Just let Tanei get the mic, brother. Just come on, fade out.
He said the wedge or the dash means it's going in or out.
But you have the chicken. What are we doing right now? Tanei, get the mic, brother. Come on, man. What are you doing? The molecular structure and the shape that comprises the molecular. Come on.
I don't get. Is it going into the atom? Or versus coming out of the atom? Is that what you say by the dash and wedge?
No way to clean up that box of chicken, brother. No way to clean that up. You can't try to come with you can't try to come with a really witty and intelligent comment and redirect our attention away from that. That's not how that works.
It's just dinner.
All right, so let's say I was looking at my phone, right? And you're looking at your phone like this. Mm-hmm. So if you're looking at the phone like this, you see that everything is in the same plane, right? But if you turn it this way, now you can see that there's a different plane here. Molecules look the same way.
Actually, when you turn it to the side, your green screen just disappears. So we're on the same page.
Nora said she wants some now. Best thing about KeMedicine is Tanei can't time me out. Keisha.
This is crazy. We have to get some.
Wait a minute, who said that?
Keisha.
We need charges against HJ for Popeyes. Popeyes is incompatible with KeMedicine. Okay,
Huh?
Popeyes is incompatible. Popeyes is only compatible with Deion Sanders getting his toes cut off. I mean, what are we doing right now? This is
I
crazy.
work out.
I feel like they're just finding more and more clever ways to troll me throughout the show. Like, 'cause this is clearly trolling Dr. EnQi. Like, yo, I'm gonna bust out. I'm gonna have some Popeye. EnQi head is gonna explode on this next episode. I'm gonna pull out a bucket of Popeye.
Popeye was definitely
Like,
playing.
this is
that was
crazy.
definitely playing.
This is madness.
Listen, man, I'm gonna put my body in a ketosis and this will go right away.
Well, the hard part about that, the breading is definitely not gonna help you with that. That's you got a lot of carbs there. That's not gonna happen. You definitely not.
What is happening right now? This is crazy. So RFK was getting high. Let's just get back to a show. Let's just get back to a report. Something.
Oh, so
Pull
one
up
more
something
thing
from
about
that
shape.
day.
Carbs, I'm gonna burn through that in the gym tomorrow too. So that ain't about nothing.
So shapes. So somebody said something
There we
about triangles being really important shapes in medicine. Spirals are also really important too.
That's
So
in
if you look
DNA.
at where spirals appear in DNA. Spirals also appear in starch and storage forms of sugar. So spirals are a way to condense a lot of energy in one place. So anywhere you see a spiral is gonna have a lot of information. It's gonna have a lot of energy there.
Just like a generator.
A generator.
Yeah, you know. Spiral is very important for electrical equipment.
Yep.
That's true. That's true. That's true. My dad was an electrician. We dealt with a lot of spirals.
Which is the human body.
Oh. Oh, wait. So so we got sugar in the human body. What else is a spiral? We got the DNA.
DNA. Yeah, proteins that appear as helices or alpha helix.
I'm about to say that is the basic. That's the part of the basic structure in your connective tissue.
What? The helices?
Yeah, they braid. Like the whole collagen fibers are like braids.
Oh.
No, there's no way. There's no way I can do this. There's no way. No way. There's no way I can do this. I can tolerate. I mean, there's no way I can do this. There's no way. There's no way.
That shit was loud.
This is unacceptable.
It's just a little alpha helix, man.
I mean, this is crazy.
It's just a little alpha helix, man. Fry hard.
You guys are getting really creative at trolling Dr. EnQi every week. Like, this is crazy.
I'm almost done. This is my last leg.
But I'm
gonna say that.
I'm on my last leg. That's crazy.
I'm gonna say the thigh for tomorrow. But these globulars is gonna get gobbled tonight.
Oh, yo.
Jesus, take the wheel.
So RFK was caught.
So RFK got the mufkazut. The mufkazut.
No, sir.
Is dealing with the ligand.
You are banned for at least 10 minutes. You need time and space. You need to handle that situation you have over there, sir. That situation is not compatible with scientific discourse in KeMedicine. This doesn't go well with Popeye's chicken. Like, there's no way that can happen.
It's good too.
You didn't even have the decency. That's how I know you were directly trolling, because you could have put that on the plate and just kept the Popeye promo. Like, there's no way you needed to. That's crazy. I'm supporting black business. Crazy. What happened to Master P cereal?
Oh man.
Tell Master P come out with some fried chicken.
Wow.
I support.
Oh, masterpiece. So we doing fried chicken and Newports. I don't know what's happening.
I only smoke like three Newports a week.
Y'all talking about the boomers. Y'all talking about the boomers with the out of date tech. We don't know the tech. The best tech is the human body. So I'm abusing my YouTube algorithm, and you abusing your body tube algorithm over there with Newports and Popeyes.
I got a high metabolism.
Who is really supposed to get the charges tonight? Like, what are we doing right now?
I got a fast metabolism.
Okay.
We gonna burn through that.
YouTube. I got a fast YouTube page. What are we talking about?
No, sir.
You got Newports and Popeyes chicken going on. We talking about how many music videos the Beatles got. The Beatles, oh my goodness, EnQi, we can't tell these old folks nothing because EnQi gonna keep putting out music. HJ gonna keep smoking Newports and eating Popeyes on the live stream. Like, what are we doing? So we're promoting Newports, and then Tanei is a code. Tanei is supporting the.
How am I supporting anything? No, you always trying to drag me into some shit. I didn't co-sign anything. I'm laughing.
You dragged yourself into it, jumping off the top rope as usual.
Well, what?
I totally downplayed the cigarette scene. My mind didn't even process that HJ had a cigarette. I was like, wait, that's
so it's my fault. Your eyes bad.
No. You didn't have to highlight it. You could have just let that go. We could have just discussed the merit of the amazing trailer.
Mister, I watched the trailer.
We could have discussed the merits of the amazing trailer without having a Newport promo in the same episode as we have a Popeyes promo. What is happening? You have turned KeMedicine into a place to sell loose Newports and chicken wings. What are we doing?
No,
I'm talking about. Oh, EnQi, I could get you on Fox tomorrow. You know, you got to sell some cigarettes and some chicken wings, though.
Lauren says she having Popeyes for lunch tomorrow. Let's go.
Wow.
Newports and gobblers.
Newports is nuts, bro.
We're gonna have to fire the writers of KeMedicine. We're gonna have to fire the writers of KeMedicine. This is crazy.
Oh, that felt good. Oh, I needed that. I just need some. They ain't got no sweet tea or nothing. They ain't bring no drink.
I was gonna say earlier, that sweet tea you got earlier probably had mold in it.
It was only a day old.
Dad, what is happening? This is not okay, people. What is happening?
You know them folks don't be cleaning that shit good at them places, them drink machines and the sweet tea machine. They don't clean them shits good. You got mold all in your drink.
Yeah, it's definitely mold in there. That mold tastes
Stop
good.
it! You're going to get one tomorrow. What are we talking about? This is crazy.
I got great catabolic processes in my body. We just gonna break that shit down. You know what I mean? Mind over matter. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Mind over matter. Your mind will just break down whatever you tell it to. The mold is a natural antibiotic. Tell him, Markel.
Stop that. Stop all that.
Oh,
that's that Phil Valentine, Young Pharaoh, whatever you. Yeah, don't do that over here, sir.
So it's not mind over matter?
Tonight, come on tonight. What are you doing?
Is there not mind over matter? Are you saying that's not true?
Listen, you're not gonna will your way out of certain stuff, man. It's not gonna happen. Your leg get chopped off. You're not gonna think about growing another one back. Like, that's not gonna happen.
But I could break down this chicken.
Chicken might be breaking you down too.
That's only if I believe it is.
I just want you to know, statistically, chicken has killed more black people than the KKK, gang violence, AIDS, Ebola, COVID, all that put together. Chicken has killed more black people than all them things.
That's because they eat too much of it.
We just should go back to RFK. We should really get back to. I mean,
Popeyes once a
we
week.
have topics.
Popeyes.
You know what? Just take a breath, HJ. Listen, I just want the family at home to know. Okay, we actually do intend on discussing scientific topics. We have topics lined up every week.
We do.
Every week we come in here with topics lined up, and the show gets hijacked for trolling Dr. EnQi, and clearly, I mean, HJ done dropped 50 tonight. Like, this is one of them nights. This is his 63-point masterpiece. We got Newports and Popeyes in the same show. I don't even know what can happen. Next week he's gonna actually have crack rock. Like, what is happening right now? This is crazy.
Why do Newports feel so good? Why do Newports feel so good after a meal? You know how you need that cigarette after a meal? Like, it just be like, it go down like a dessert. Like cigarettes is a dessert.
Did I already apologize to Mike with the bad ankles? Did I mention? Did I?
Mike has bad knees, not bad ankles.
Okay, Mike just said it. I'm the one getting timed out.
And see, I didn't even see that in the chat, but I just felt you. Mike, I'm so sorry, brother. You know what I'm saying? We got to work on them knees. We're going to get you together and get you 20 cups of coffee. We're going to get you right.
Damn, that Rob kitchen streams? Oh, my God.
Yo, dude said it. He said that nicotine be hitting after a full meal. Boy. That nicotine goes straight to your globulus.
But are you pronouncing it with a C or a double G? Are you saying nicotine? Like, what are we? Have you added a racist? What are you doing right now? What is happening? How are we descending? How low are we? Come back to tonight. Come on.
We might not be in Hotep anymore. We might be in hell. Like, we might. I think we may have left the Hotep city limits. We might be somewhere between hell and the House of Conscience. We might be somewhere in there.
No, sir. We can't do that to House of Conscience.
I'm sorry. I apologize. I didn't mean.
There is no selling of Popeyes and Newports, even by the community scholars.
No, wait a minute.
Even the community scholars.
Wait. Did you literally told us a story about
I did not.
Your homeboy
I did not.
Bench.
No, I did not.
Hello.
You did.
I did not.
You definitely told us about that.
You did.
No,
you said
I did
he
not.
was eating it in the car before he came in the house, and y'all seen him. Y'all watched him eat his Popeyes in the car before he came in the crib.
No, we was talking about Black and Nobel, sir.
That's the community scholars.
No, that was a patron of the community scholar. My dear sweet brother Steve, who worked in the WIC office, who was trying to educate the women having babies on WIC how to put together healthier eating programs for low budget in the community, doing community work, philanthropic work, risking his job at WIC office, because they would definitely fire him if they caught him up in there telling them to stop feeding them babies all that crazy food.
What are you having for Thanksgiving next week? Bean pies?
Probably just have grass. I'll have grass and atonement. Grass and atonement.
Do you celebrate Thanksgiving?
Of course, I celebrate everything.
So what do you, come on, you ain't gonna have no sweet potato pie?
I will have grass and atonement.
Grass and atonement. I tell you what, Doe said, fuck Black and Nobel. I tried to put my books on the shelf and son declined because I didn't feature him in the book. Oh shit, he got beef.
Okay, well, technically, I have had a rough breakup with Black and Nobel's leadership.
Here we go. 19 breakups.
You should have known this nigga had a story.
No, I will not be giving a story right now. There's no story.
Well, you ain't got to. We already know. You there's something about you and doing community philanthropic work. You seem to fall out with certain people.
Well, no comment. Just keep it moving.
We did get some sweet potatoes in the house. We added sweet potatoes to our dinner, EnQi. You'd be proud of us.
I sure would.
We had some rice, we had some beans, we had some sweet potatoes.
And then smoked a Newport after. Just
No, that's only on Sundays.
on the Lord's Day.
The Lord's Day is Saturday.
Next stop, hell.
The Sabbath is.
We're on the H train. Next stop, hell. Demon Boulevard.
Demon Boulevard is nuts. Holy shit.
Crazy.
Oh, God. Hotep Jesus coming with me. All them niggas in the chat coming with me because they laughing at this shit. So, the Mufkaza is sticking to RFK's ligands.
Here we go.
There
Nice,
are
smooth
receptors
Get us back
in RFK's body that will recognize the Mufkaza.
and everyone else's body.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
because HJ's having some.
I'm not touching that ayahuasca shit. I got offered some. And I said, no, thank you. They talking about they be seeing like aliens and speaking to astral beings. And I'm like, nah, I speak to enough beings here, right here. I'm not.
You listen, that is not exactly the truth.
What's not the truth?
Well, let's just say, I know that you're not going to be seeing aliens and all that on ayahuasca.
So what's happening? Have you tried ayahuasca?
No comment, brother. Let's just say. Let's just say. That's all. Let's just say.
Let's just say what?
I know for a fact that's not what's happening. Unless you're already seeing aliens. See, the problem is you have people that are already seeing aliens and then they get high.
So they see them.
Become more vivid.
EnQi got a book for that?
No, there's no book for that. There's no book for that. There's no book for aliens.
So what happens with this?
Actually, you know what?
DMT trip.
I am incorrect. We actually do have.
I knew it.
I mean, we do have the electrician manual. What is that? Number 12? Was that number 12 or 13? We do have an electrician. I think it's, we do have an electrician manual on some of the topics that pertain to aliens right now. Yeah,
Robin Carhart Harris says DMT could be described as a drug model for the limbo state between life and death. Is that true? Do you find that? Did you think that? Is there something there that you can sink your teeth into?
Having experience in both spaces, I would say yes.
It's a thing between life and death?
Yeah, it's a similar experience.
How is it? Is your heart almost stop?
No,
or do you like see Jesus?
Well, it's a similar experience. You can it'll greatly motivate you when you snap out of it or when you come down.
What?
Yeah.
What?
I had three children. I had 3 children and I had only written 1 book. And then my heart stopped.
Off the DMT?
No, not from DMT. This is just actual lifing.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
And after that, I had 7 children and I have now written 200 books. And people ask me, why don't I sleep when I teach health and I know that I should sleep more? Well, because I already had an experience where, I know in a way that is very up close and intimate for me that time here is not guaranteed. So you need to be pushing it to the limit.
What? All right. So I'm confused.
You stop reading Get High.
What
shit.
does
That's what I'm
what
saying.
does
Just get out of
psychedelic
that.
mean?
Stop that. Just stop reading that. Whatever that is, we should go
This
to
is
the
the
next.
this is the RFK thing. I'm trying to understand, what is a psychedelic? Is it triggering parts of your brain that causes hallucination, and now you're triggering like pulls from your subconscious mind? That's what I think it is.
Psychedelic can trigger an emotional experience. A psychedelic experience can trigger your neural networks to synchronize and give you a flood of information that people will assume is some other type of experience, but it's really just causing your neural networks to like synchronize in a way that almost like a limitless kind of thing. Where, you know, things just immediately come together. But the reason that happens is not supernatural. It's just that people don't realize how much information that they have in their mind and that their brain can process. And sometimes you can have you can have a psychedelic experience which causes synchronization. Typically though, you need to practice, study, and prep for something like that to happen. Usually what happens is people just have a incredibly emotional, confusing experience because they haven't prepped, they don't know what they're doing. They believe in out-of-body experiences and aliens. When you don't have an out-of-body experience, you have an inner body experience. But that is just as confusing and scary because people don't study their inner body. So they have no idea what they're looking at when they see all those colors and geometrical patterns, which Tanei was running through for us earlier. So when they see the colors and the shapes and they're on the inside looking around.
I had a bad experience once. Somebody gave me a lace blunt, was like dipped in embalming fluid.
I know it. This is crazy. We got to end the show early tonight. We got to end the show early tonight. I knew it. I knew this was not over. We went from Newports to Popeye's chicken to dust. We on PCP. This is crazy.
I didn't know it was in there.
Tonight I blanked his damn screen off. So now you come back after HJ was just talking about he was doing angel dust. You blinked off your laptop and then we gotta fire the writers of KeMedicine. This is crazy.
It wasn't dust. It was cannabis buds dipped in embalming fluid.
Come on, bro.
Hey, yo, wait, whoa. What did I just walk back into?
This shit HJ got going on the weekends. This is what I'm saying. This is crazy.
This was a long time ago.
Stop it. That's how y'all got in character for that show trailer there. That's what you and Uncle Hotep was doing.
He don't like the show trailer no more. He learning about all the behind the scenes shit. He don't like it no more.
I wasn't even 21 yet. He handed me a lace blunt. I seen dead people. That was a crazy night.
So we are no longer gonna allow HJ to blame vaccine projects. That's out. Okay?
Why?
You cannot say, oh, it's the vaccine injury. No. It's the dust and the Newports and the Popeyes. That's what's happening with you, buddy. Yeah. So HJ exposed. He's one of those people.
Is that sure?
What I just told you. Boy, see, HJ was coming to 125th Street. And 125th Street is relatively safe. But what happens is if you should happen to stroll down 124th Street or 126th Street, like if you veer off 25th Street in either direction, there's a vastly different type of education you can get in Harlem relatively quickly. Yeah.
Is that Sherm? Is that what y'all call Sherm? Because they was talking about in that movie South Central, and they was like, oh, she a Sherm head.
Well, that's what they call it maybe out there in Cali. And then, they call it wet in some places. That's that wet. They call it the dusty, you can't trust me. They call it the naked in some places because people
I saw somebody say that in the chat.
Yeah, they often take their clothes off right wherever they are.
What?
Right outside in front of everybody. They just take we've seen that quite a few times in
That's that scene in Friday when Smokey was talking about being stuck in Debo
That's that scene at Hotep Jesus with AKA and EnQi.
I didn't trip out like that. I was driving to the mall and I just saw people like I saw this dude running across the street and then he jumped like over the fence. That was not
a dude. That wasn't a dude. That never happened. I just want you to understand that.
I know it didn't happen. I know that the lights was like real bright and blinking, but I saw like people like I swear to God I saw dead people, yo. That shit was crazy.
Correct. None of that happened. You imagined all of that. That was
Lauren said you was driving. I was driving. We was driving to the mall. Somebody thought it was funny to hand me a lace blunt, and I hit him. I said, yo, what the fuck you putting this blunt? And he started laughing on the phone, and that's when he told me what it was. And at the time, I didn't know what that meant. I'm like, yo, I'm fucking hallucinating, bro. I'm like, I don't know what the fuck you gave me. Like, what kind of weed is this?
So you've been Professor Mufkaza for quite a while.
Yo, Mike has been elevated to a prophet, okay? Because Mike clearly foresaw this whole episode coming. And Mike tried to warn me and get me together. Mike was like, "Hey, K," and I gave him the fist bump, like, "Get out." He tried to help me. I was the brother with the fist bump. Like he tried to give me. I gave him a fist. Mike, never again. I will be on the lookout. Man.
So all I'm saying is I understand JFK. Okay, I've had a psychedelic experience.
No, you did not. What the what? Wait. How do we know? No, sir. There's no way you get to compare angel dust to mushrooms or ayahuasca.
That's not psychedelic?
No.
Then what was it?
Sir. A wild evening. What? That was a wild evening. That was somebody you should have shot or stabbed. Whoever gave you that blood. That was crazy. You almost died that night. Yeah, you almost died or went to jail for life.
Are you serious?
What? You gave somebody gave you dust and let you drive? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you You almost created dead people. You didn't almost see dead people. You almost made some dead people.
I'm really strong, so like mentally I'm strong. So I knew I was tripping. It wasn't even that bad. I just saw shit. I'm like, okay, I'm hallucinating. That was somebody that was interesting, and the lights were kind of like flashy.
That is the killer's drug of choice.
What do you mean? Like if you want to kill somebody, you take that?
Yeah.
Really?
That's what you use before you slide, as the young folks would say.
Wow.
Yeah, that like we don't be playing when we say a lot of these young cats, they're drug addicts. Like you got to be a drug addict to want to kill people like that.
Well, it could be, but you use the dust before the mission, and then you use the lean to try to forget about the mission after you finished it.
Doe said I took an eighth of shrooms. Became one with the ocean in Miami and almost drifted away.
What other? Let me get my phone. I got to get control of this. This is wild. We should end the show at 10 o'clock. The show should be over at 10. We need to get out of this. Let me see if we.
President Trump's health secretary said that she preferred uppers like Adderall.
Oh my God! What are you doing?
Adderall's amazing, by the way.
Come on, man. What?
Adderall's an amazing drug.
So Trump did. I put this in the chat. Trump announced a deal with Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk to cut the price for the GLP-1s.
Oh my God.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Making crack like this. A nation of drug addicts.
Wait, you basically said we added communism to GLP-1? GLP-1s
like this.
GLP-1s for everyone?
Yeah.
I just want to know
And
in
if
the
you buy through
world.
the Trump RX platform, that's where the crosscuts are going to come from.
In a world where HJ is smoking dust and Newports and eating Popeyes,
I'm gonna find Roland Martin and jab him with that shit. That's what the fuck I'm going to do. Jab that nigga right in the gut with a GLP-1. Take that Ozempic, you fat fuck.
listen, this is what I'm saying. We need more loving, intelligent music.
Oh,
So I need y'all to start walking towards the light. And you know what, Jeremiah? I'm gonna give you a hug. We're gonna hug you and welcome you back to the page. We need you to walk towards the music. Because you're walking away from the music, the Jesus music, the love music. You're walking away from that music into the world of Newports and fried chicken. And laced blunts with angel dust on it. I mean, what are you
that
doing?
was an accident. That was an accident. I did not do that by choice.
I mean, but the circle, see, within the circle of friends that are passing around Newports and Popeyes is where laced blunts are. Laced blunts are right in that group. Okay? People that are passing smoothies around, laced blunts are not in that group. The people that are passing around smoothies and kale salad, nobody has a laced blunt.
Casey said, I would make so much money off Adderall. I'm scared to take it, though, and probably need it. It's not that bad.
On this show? Are we selling Adderall?
She's in health insurance. Adderall's good, though. I mean, I think I'm pretty sure it, like, burns a hole through your brain, but I wrote a book on it. My first book was on Adderall, and I sat there and I wrote, like, half the book in a day.
Whoa, wait a minute. Hold on. Did y'all see how he just trolled me? He said, I wrote a book on it. And now that led everybody to believe that HJ had educational material that he put together on the dangers of Adderall.
No,
but no, not in this Twilight Zone version of KeMedicine. When he said he wrote a book on Adderall, he actually meant he was high as hell on Adderall. And he was stumbling through trying to write a book.
I wasn't stumbling. Nigga was locked in. Nigga was locked in. When I tell you I was locked in, nigga, I ain't even blink, nigga. It was on site with the keyboard. I'm telling you right now.
And see, that's why when I say SETI and Pharaoh is on, it's all making sense now. It's making sense. As I say, they on. You're like, oh no, but that's all. Yeah, I mean, they ain't that. Got it. That's all. The one the air. Newport, dope, PCP, Adderall. It's going down before and after KeMedicine. It is wild. It's going so crazy before and after KeMedicine that we're eating Popeyes during KeMedicine. That's wild.
That was
an insane clip. That was really insane.
The clip is gonna have a fun time with this one. Okay, so what happened with Trump and the GLP-1s?
So they're cutting the costs on the GLP-1s you buy through the Trump RX platform through Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk. So remember we talked about Eli Lilly coming up with the oral GLP-1 formulation. I think that one's gonna be on the list too. So yeah, it's gonna be available through like Medicare, Medicaid, through Trump RX.
Should we put our Kofi on for this one?
We're getting closer and closer to the Will Smith movie. I just want to say that.
What movie?
Which one?
Independence Day?
No.
After Earth?
No, when he was the last person.
I Am Legend.
We're getting very close to I Am Legend. That's all I'm gonna say.
Why you say that?
Because it started with the cure for cancer. Remember that.
It did start with a vaccine, yeah.
Yeah. Started with the cure.
So you saying the Ozempic shit might turn niggas into zombies?
Look around. Just look around. Just pay attention to Fat Joe. Whatever happens to Fat Joe is the prototype.
So Fat Joe is a zombie now.
I'm just saying. Fat Joe is the prototype. I mean, now I can drink 3 or 4 6-packs of Pepsi. and just take my shot.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah, Trump's got an RX platform. I think he's supposed to be making drugs affordable on there because that's what people ask for.
Yeah, he glazing Cuban. That was Cuban's idea first.
Cuba, the country?
No, Cuban. Mark Cuban.
Oh, okay. Keisha, what do you know about this Trump RX thing? Is it legit?
No.
She's in healthcare.
No, just steer away from Keisha. Keisha is always an enabler of your bad behavior, sir. HJ plus Keisha equals trolling Dr. EnQi. That's I'm learning. HJ plus Keisha, HJ plus pop. Trolling Dr. EnQi.
I'm in property and liability type insurance. Oh, my bad.
Then we got people with biblical names trolling Dr. EnQi. I would never expect that from Jeremiah. What would happen?
I think we're gonna put our kufi on with this one, bro. That means, so here's my take. GLP-1s will probably be as common as taking a multivitamin.
I can see that. I can definitely see that. Because there's like a lot of stuff that's coming out in the literature now that's showing that like the GLP-1s do other stuff besides regulating your hormones. But like I could definitely see that.
EnQi, what's wrong now, yo?
Yo, this is crazy. This is the show. This is the show. Just
what happened?
This is crazy. I'm being initiated. I'm being hazed. I'm being hazed. I'm being hazed. This is pure madness.
It's a prediction. It's a take. It's trying to see if Trump is making GLP-1s affordable through his RX platform, where does that lead us? It leads us into a world where people will take GLP-1 pills like they take their vitamins. What is so shocking about that?
For the record, I don't know what Tanei is doing. Okay.
What you mean you don't know what I'm doing?
I don't know what Tanei is doing. Okay. Just for the record, I just want to say that. For the record,
we're chatting.
Hello. For the record,
we're chatting. You're raging. That's what we're.
I am raging because I'm being rage baited. Listen, for the record, I have no idea what Tanei is doing. I just want to say I'm very uncomfortable.
I'm drinking green tea. That's what I'm doing.
Oh shit.
I'm very uncomfortable with what has transpired. That's all I want to say.
I'm just drinking green tea.
And any comparisons of GLP-1s to multivitamins, I just want to add that to dope laced blunts and yeah, I just want to put that right in that same pocket. Dope laced blunts and Popeyes and GLP multivitamins.
I think that's what's gonna happen. People are gonna be popping GLP-1s like, you know what I mean, like Plan B.
Like Plan B. So it's 10 o'clock. It's 9:58. Let's go to prayer. Let's just close out. Let's go to prayer.
We still got one more topic after this.
No, we don't need that many topics. It's going to devolve into debauchery. We have been unsuccessful.
So I definitely think that by making them more affordable.
Are you doubling down? What are you doing?
I think this is gonna have some unforeseen.
What is in that green tea?
I just said it's green tea and magnesium powder. That's it.
You got a nip in there. Yeah, that would be in tune with the show. You got a little nip in there. You got a little vodka. You got one of them little vodka, little Bacardi joints up in there from the top. You know, when you go to the liquor store, they got the $1.25. You got a little nip in there. Stop it, man. This is crazy.
No.
You got a little nip in there. Come on now.
No,
I know how Memphis get down. You got two nips in there.
We try.
No, sir.
This is community work, philanthropic work, warning people that your auntie gonna wake up, take her multivitamin, her GLP-1 pill, and that's where we're headed.
Your auntie may not wake up. We're just gonna keep it real.
Oh, because they've been doing that with other drugs for a minute too. They've been doing it with They've been doing it with Cialis. They've been doing it with metformin.
What are we?
They've been doing it. Yeah, like I mean, people take ED drugs as pre-workout. Like this is not
That's
a foreign
true.
concept.
That's true.
Like this is like you act like this doesn't happen.
That's true.
Wait a minute. Hold on. 90% of the world's recreational drugs are consumed in America. So are we just? I mean, what are we saying? Like, well, we just act like it doesn't happen. Well, people are smoking right now. There are millions of people smoking crack. So are we? What are we doing next week, guys? In America, crack can become the next multivitamin. More on that next week. More on that next week with KeMedicine.
Stop it. Crack and GLP. See, now you rage baiting. Like now that's what you doing. That's what you on.
Pop-up said I've done that before.
Was very faulty and flimsy.
That was not faulty and flimsy.
That was very faulty.
No, it wasn't.
Because people are doing it, we should promote it. That is crazy.
Who said that? Who said we were promoting?
We are on the internet. What do you think we're doing?
Listen. Nobody's promoting anything.
Right.
We're saying what could happen.
Okay, hold on. You know what?
This is not a cosign.
You're the smart guy. Let's go to HJ. HJ, now, do you co-sign what Tanei said? Or is nobody promoting anything?
Correct.
Come on, HJ.
We're not promoting anything.
Wait. Before you speak, just know we've got all of your videos as evidence. So go ahead and say, when you discuss brands, go ahead, HJ, and say that when you discuss brands on the internet, that you're not promoting. Go ahead. Say that. Just go ahead and say that part.
We were not co-signing GLP-1s. We were
when
warning
you discuss
people.
Brands on the internet, you're not promoting. Just that part right there.
We are warning people of the dangers
and what the world
You know what? I'll clean it up even more. We are discussing possibilities.
Right.
No, you didn't clean it up. Go back to HJ.
Yes, no, we're discussing
you did not clean anything up.
Promoting anything. Because nobody is saying when this happens, you should go do it.
Right.
HJ at least started off his cleanup. HJ was cleaning up. We were warning people about. Go ahead. Warning is good. That is a great word to throw in there. Not possibilities. Warning. Go ahead, HJ.
He said he used to take Tadalafil as a pre-workout. What is that?
Yeah. He's talking about
ED medication.
That's ED shit.
That's the no, it's not Cialis. It's the other one.
You sure it's not Cialis?
Rogaine? Not Rogaine.
What you know? Cialis
Rogaine.
Cialis is
No, it's the other one, Viagra.
No, Cialis is Tadalafil.
Is it Cialis?
Yeah, Cialis is Tadalafil because that's the extended release one. I was just talking to my class about this.
No comment. Let's just I would have zoomed.
I was just talking to my class about this the other day.
I got you with the extended release. Just go ahead with the extended, bro. Come on, man. You can't say
we were
extended.
talking about PDE5
you cannot talk
inhibitors.
About you cannot
we
use
were talking
the term.
about PDE5 inhibitors.
He said that shit lasts 36 hours.
We were talking about PDE5 inhibitors. Yeah, Tadalafil is the extended release when sildenafil.
You're gonna go to jail. You're gonna go to jail.
No, I'm not.
Walking around sword fighting. You're gonna you gonna look like
wait a minute. Whoa.
Pause. This is crazy.
Because you cannot be taking 36-hour ED meds and then standing in front of a room full of children looking crazy. What are you doing tonight? Tonight, what are you doing, brother? What are you doing, brother? That's what I'm saying. What are you doing? This is crazy.
Did y'all see the trailer yet? Did I show y'all the trailer yet? We want to show y'all the trailer. This nigga is violated. Tanai, can you tell us what you was explaining to your class, please?
Anyway, so we were talking about PD. We were talking about phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitors. That's what all the ED medications are.
There you go.
They're what inhibitors?
Phosphodiesterase 5.
So what is it inhibiting?
Phosphodiesterase.
But what is that? Like, what is that?
So it's an enzyme that.
Shut up, EnQi.
Oh, this is crazy. Mike, you are a genius. Mike, we might have to bring Mike up on the show next time. Mike needs the link. We need to send Mike the link. Mike, you have earned the link. Damn it, Mike, you've earned the link. Pause. That sounds crazy.
5.
Yeah.
It's a specific phosphodiesterase. So phosphodiester. So you have a molecule that has a phosphate that has 2 oxygens bonded to it, and the enzyme will break that bond. So you have molecules in your body that are signaling molecules. I'm trying to explain it as like low as possible because there's a lot of signaling cascades that go along with this. But essentially, you have a molecule in your body called cyclic AMP or CAMP. And so inhibiting PDE5 inhibits the breakdown of CAMP. When your CAMP levels are high, it influences vasodilation. But it influences vasodilation in specific parts of your body because there's different types of phosphodiesterases. So the phosphodiesterases, when you inhibit them, when your CAMP levels stay high, that keeps your vasodilation on for a longer period of time. And so that's where the blood flow comes in. So these drugs were originally marketed for blood pressure problems.
Right.
I think specifically for angina. Angina is like heart pain. And most of the time it deals with vasoconstriction. And so they originally made these drugs to treat heart problems, but then they found out that the people that were going through the trials were getting crazy erections. And so then they remarketed it as an ED medication.
This has been a wild episode. That's all I want to say.
EnQi, what happened, man?
Are you asking me what happened?
Yeah, I don't understand why. You, like somebody in the chat said, they say you go over there, you talk to community scholars, but you come over here, you can't handle a little discussion.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
And I'm going to just say, wow. I'm just going to charge that to this is Thriller night. H hit the pipe and tonight has an erection in class.
Oh my God.
That's all I'm going to say. It's just wow.
Well, class, here's the issue. I just went over this with the family. If you want GLP-1s, feed your microbiome fiber. Okay, that's going to trigger your receptors. And what is it? The PKK receptors?
We're just going to send them to Amazon and get the book. Let's just send them to Amazon.
Rich Abs, Poor Abs. I like that book.
I do too.
Rich Abs, Poor Abs. Here it is. Bioelectricity.
We built a few series of books on top of the Rich Abs, Poor Abs book.
Did you?
Very powerful book. Yeah.
We have a
movie. Interesting. We have actually a series of movie scripts that we have written out. I'm serious.
Fiber pills are not okay.
Wait, you laughing? I'm serious. People have those books. They know. They're like, no, EnQi serious. Those books are written as movie scripts.
No, I wasn't laughing at that. I was laughing at the chat. He said rich grift, poor grift. But yeah, no fiber pills, because I think what you also need you need enzymatic processes, which comes from the enzymes, and then you need the pigment too.
Go ahead, just let him do it tonight. Don't say nothing.
Dr. Mufkazit is here, nigga.
That's right. We ain't saying nothing. Go do it. Yeah, you go ahead and do that. Talk heavy. Talk heavy.
Give it here. Don't say nothing.
Talk heavy. Let him do his thing. You need the enzymatic processes and some pigments and all that. Make sure you finish your statements with and all that. You got to put that on there.
Oh,
you got to get the healthy foods and all that. Like, you got to make sure you put that, add that to it.
What is it? Is it the PKK? I forget what it was.
Don't worry about it. You got it.
Fiber chat. You got to feed your microbiome fiber. It's going to ferment it and create some more shit. And then
you was cooking, then you made a left. Just get back on track. We going short chain fatty acids. Keep going.
There you go. Short chain is gonna ferment it and turn it into short chain fatty acids. Then those short chain fatty acids gonna connect to your GLP-1 receptors and tell you you're satiated. Don't eat no more.
Something like that. It's gonna happen for sure.
Did I miss a step?
No, don't worry about it. That was you right. You good.
I gotta
You
read
good.
that chapter again. I'm almost there. I'm like 2/3 of the way there, Chad.
We in the background. We got your back. You good. Anything you miss, we pick up. That was good enough right there. That was way better than the Popeyes ads and everything else. That was powerful show. Powerful show. That's what I'm talking about. KeMedicine. Come on now.
We got another topic.
No, we don't. What are you doing? You just had a great moment. Don't spoil it. Please don't ruin it.
We got another topic up here for y'all.
Don't ruin it.
AI protein language models.
Oh yeah, this is really cool.
I don't think we should plug in AI protein language models after Popeyes and crack and stuff. And just
That's the perfect time to do it.
Exactly.
Addy. We didn't had Addy binges and all. This is wild.
It was not a binge. It was only a few pills a friend gave me.
It's only a few. You got what you bro. You talking about the boomers. You got a bad group of friends. Your friends are not really friends. With friends like those, who needs enemies?
I'm just saying, like, she takes them because she does sales.
Wow.
And so she
do it on the women. Do it on the women. See how y'all do?
I'm just saying she has
women is passing off dope laced blunts and Addy bar. Oh, come on, bro.
She had some Addies, and she was like, "Yo, these are pretty cool." She seemed like a really smart chick, and she was like, "You should try it out." So I tried it out.
I do have a song called "Thick Smart Girls," and it's a very good song.
Oh, that's fire! We love thick smart girls.
It's a very good song.
Especially if they're thick.
It's a very good song.
Okay, so let's put this up on the screen. Artificial intelligence protein language models can speed the design of monoclonal antibodies. Wait, I've heard that somewhere before.
That was real hot during COVID.
Right.
You also may have heard that in the books that you've been reading. Just saying.
That prevent or reduce. Speed the design of monoclonal antibodies that prevent or reduce the severity of potential life-threatening viral infections. So they're using AI to create
Custom
synthetic proteins?
White blood cells. Custom design white blood cells.
Designer blood cells.
Something like that.
Gucci blood cells. Louis Vuitton white blood cells. To fight diseases.
They started in the panic of COVID, which is why they were asking people to give plasma. Because some people in the urban community had a defense mechanism that they were noticing that was not necessarily everywhere. So they wanted to run some plasma. And
the Netches? The Netches got special blood?
Wild Netchers.
What you mean, wild Netchers?
Wild Netchers. I have a song if you want to figure it out. Yeah.
Wild Netchers has something in their blood.
Wild Netchers.
Tanei, are you following what he's saying?
There's some evidence
of what?
Wild Netchers having some things in their plasma.
That was highly active against certain viruses. Yeah.
Wait, we was.
No, we're not licensing you to go crazy
anti-vax.
on this one. We're trying to keep you. It may seem like we're trying to restrain ourselves. We're actually trying to keep you in line. We're just trying to give you just a little bit so you can just stay right where you at. You good. You had a great take with the fiber, and we just want you to stay right there. Just don't you go anywhere.
Wait a second. So you telling me that the virus?
No, we're not telling you that.
The coronavirus was entering our bodies, and our white blood cells was doing kung fu.
Wow. You're going to jail alone. I definitely did not say that. I don't know what you're talking about.
We got special white blood cells? Is it just the wild netchers? Like, I'm a wild netcher, right?
No, you're not a wild netcher.
I'm not a wild netcher.
No, you're domesticated.
I'm domesticated.
You just had Popeyes on the live stream.
So are you talking about the jungle people in Africa?
Talking about the Popeyes chicken free people.
Blue zone?
Wow. So is that what we're doing?
Where
Because if we're
are
not in
these?
blue zones, we
Where
don't
are
have
these wild natures? Where are they?
all around.
Detroit?
All around everywhere.
But they don't eat Popeyes.
Correct.
What?
That is wild. And the scratching the head at the same time with the face. If you Clippers, this is how we're gonna do this. All of the Clippers are getting brought up on charges, damn it. If you don't get that moment right, if you don't get that part right there with the weight, so they're not all eating Popeye's chicken, I'm done. Okay? You Clippers are getting fired.
I'm about to ask the Google demons.
What?
Black people.
No one said that.
Who had special white
no one said black people.
blood cells during COVID. Let's see what the demons say, because I can't with you. Scientific evidence does not support the existence of a special type of white blood cell in black people that provided. In fact, the black community faces a disproportionate burden. Claims of black immunity that circulated in the early pandemic were debunked by health experts.
We tried to warn you.
While there is no special protective white blood cell studies, while there is no special protective white blood cell type, studies have explored the nuances of immune responses and genetic variations across different populations. Benign ethnic neutropenia. It is well-established phenomenon that people of African descent have naturally lower total white blood cell and neutrophil counts than white individuals. This condition is asymptomatic and generally harmless, but can affect medical interpretation of lab results. It is not linked to COVID immunity. Some research suggests that black individuals might be predisposed to harsher pro-inflammatory response, cytokine storm, when infected with SARS-CoV-2, which could contribute to more severe outcomes, not protection. Studies have found various genetic markers that may influence how an individual's immune system responds to the virus or their susceptibility to severe disease, some of which vary by ancestry. However, there are general human genetic variations, not race-specific, comorbidities. All right, so
walk away from the light.
So what are you talking about? What? Who are these?
Just walk away from the
wild natures that?
Well, I did specify that Popeye free, and I think that's where you got confused when I said Popeye free.
So these are bush people.
So that's what we're doing.
That's
so Tanei, I just want to ask Tanei a question. Are you still under the impression that this is not a Popeyes promo? I'm just saying, when HJ says that the only people that are not eating Popeyes are bush people, so are you still? Are you?
Bush people is. I'm not gonna hold you. Bush people is kind of nuts. That's kind of nuts.
That's what Pop said.
This is one hell of a KeMedicine, pun intended. This is crazy.
It's not special cells. They have the entire human codex. So can you say what you said again? Wild natures, monoclonal antibodies.
You can't handle the truth.
All right. Who took black people's monoclonal
that is wild
antibodies? Because you're not giving me no fucking answers. During COVID. Let's see. Okay.
Boomer tech.
Who took their white blood cells? Because that's what you said.
Were you not on the internet during COVID?
They took their plasma?
Were you not on the internet during COVID?
I was right here doing the studies with Tanei.
And so, I know, but all of the censorship, did you miss that?
We got around that. We made up a whole new glossary.
you made a whole new set of Google demons as well.
No, just a glossary for certain terms.
Gotcha.
Like,
But the Google demons is the same.
Like we call COVID the Ninja Turtles.
Okay.
Call the vaccine the vacation.
Yeah, the vaccine was the vacation. Yeah.
That was not a vacation. That glossary could have used some work.
It was working.
No. Because vacation is the opposite of working.
Our videos didn't get taken down. They thought we was talking about cartoons and a travel channel.
Touche. Point. Yeah.
All right. So you're not going to tell me what you're talking about, which is completely unfair.
We're just going to coast on out of that.
So artificial intelligence and protein language models can speed the design of monoclonal antibodies. So basically what they're doing is some dudes is in a lab and they're coming up with like some artificial proteins, and now they're using AI to create these proteins. Is that what happened in here?
So they can use AI to model specific proteins. So say you have a protein that's antigenic. You can model that protein, and then you can model an antibody that recognizes that antigen, and then you can plug that into a machine, and the machine will spit out the white blood.
Yeah, you should probably go back to receptors and make it all make sense for him.
The antibodies for you.
It'll spit out the white blood cell?
Did you just have a moment where you thought someone was behind you tonight?
Yeah, I'm good though.
The blunt, the PCP lace blunts. Oh, this is what. So anyway, so what I'm saying is
this like a 3D printer?
I don't think it's a 3D printer. Yeah, they have machines. They have machines that'll spit out proteins for you, and they'll spit out antibodies for you.
Word?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get you to help him. Okay, I tried to simplify and go white blood cell, even though we know antibodies, right? But you might want to bring it in with him. Just take it back to receptors and the fit and the geometry, and then make it make sense.
Yeah, so they can model all this stuff. So like let's say you have a computer program that allows you to model, a protein. You can look at the surface of the protein, see what it interacts with, and then if it is an antigen, then you can design. And essentially what this article is saying is that you can design antibodies that will latch on to that antigen. So remember, for your immune system, antibodies are basically a signal to your immune system that this thing that's in your body is foreign and is trying to do something to your body that you don't want it to do. So they're snitches. Yes. Antibodies are snitches. Yes.
Okay.
And
so liking them that way.
And so they're basically making snitches on demand. And because they got the main dude in custody.
And then the white blood cells
get crazy. I knew it was going to go down. I knew it was going to go further. Listen, so you have a human leukocyte antigen system. Human leukocyte antigen system. So
that's going to fight leukemia.
HLA. I you know what? Yeah. I should have played some Jesus music.
I'm sorry, you got the human leukocyte?
We need Jesus.
The healing system? Go ahead, my bad.
No, we need Jesus. We need Jesus.
I'm taking away your rights. You can't share nothing. Nobody can share. Sorry.
No,
too bad.
Gotta go to Jesus.
Too bad. So sad from dad.
Jesus.
In the beginning.
Gotta go to Jesus.
I muted EnQi, so y'all ain't got to worry about the music.
Damn, put EnQi on time out during the show. It's crazy.
He's muted, chat. He can't do nothing about it.
Just blocked my sharing and turned my mic off.
Go back to, what'd you say, the leukocytes?
I just want to say this has been another classic episode of KeMedicine.
Go ahead. The human leukocytes do what? Human leukocyte system.
Go ahead, Tanei.
He's talking to you.
No.
Talking to you.
Go ahead. You was trolling us all night, and then here you go. Now you don't want to talk science. This is crazy. The viewers came to hear some science, man.
What? You're gonna go on fire. Lightning's gonna strike you if you try to say that tonight. What?
The human leukocyte system. What happened?
Hit the Google demons. Go ahead and pull up. Human leukocyte antigen system.
Okay. Continue.
No. You press it into the buttons there.
My keyboard froze, so I can't type.
Oh, that's crazy. Is that boomer tech? Is that what?
It's boomer tech. It's definitely boomer tech.
Well, you should have a backup.
So you got the human leukocyte antigen system.
Yeah.
And what happens there?
When it rains, niggas get wet. That's what we doing. I don't know what to tell you.
Chat, he's impossible to work with, chat.
What? This is great. Yo.
This is the most unprofessional podcast host ever.
Dr. EnQi.
The Uncle Luke system.
Give it up.
Luke system is crazy. What?
You see, the chat is picking up where you left off. I just want you to know.
The Luke Cage system. Luke, I am your father. Go ahead. Wow. Human leukocyte antigen system.
I just want to say that we have a book out.
Human leukocyte antigen system. Let's see what the demons say. All right, here we go, chat. Here we go. He gonna make us look this shit up because he don't want to cooperate with the podcast.
Or go to Amazon. We have several books on the topic.
HeLa. Okay, there it is. HLA. This is the HLA system. You talk about this a lot. Histocompatibility complex, crucial part of the immune system that helps the body distinguish between self cells and foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses. These antigens are proteins found on the surface of most cells in the body. Wow, they're on the cells themselves. So cells come with like bodyguards. That's crazy.
Or we'd be dead.
Wow.
Or we'd be dead.
HeLa class 1 molecules are found on nearly all nucleated cells.
Hold on.
Present peptides.
Tanei, how long are you going to let him get
cell.
away with saying HeLa over and over again? How long are you going to let him do that?
Is it HeLa? HeLa?
No. Just hold on, AJ. This is just between me and Tanei. Tanei, how long are you going to let him do that, sir?
Why is it on me? You brought up HLA, not me. Why is this on me?
And you told us a couple of weeks ago you were very proud to announce that you had been working with Henrietta Lacks material.
Okay,
so again, how long are you going to allow him to say HeLa?
That's 2 weeks ago. You bringing up old shit.
How long are you going to allow him to say HeLa?
You started HLA. You started HLA.
I said HLA. I'm glad you said it. You started HLA. Correct. HLA.
So why are you asking me what I'm letting him get away with?
And he turned it into HeLa cell.
You started the conversation.
I'm disappointed in EnQi. We might have to bring charges. It seems like all of his patience runs out at Hose of Consciousness, and as soon as he gets here, he doesn't want to share his science. He used up all his patience over at the Hose of Consciousness. Then he get here, and now he run out of patience, and he don't want to share. He don't want to do no community work. Y'all see this shit? Charges.
I just knew I was not going to escape tonight without charges. No matter what's happening. HJ is selling Newports, loose Newports, and Popeyes. Dust, Addies. Tanai's explaining how to use everything.
Oh my God.
Somehow I got charges. Yeah.
You
People in the chat. I mean, people in the chat are clearly HOK constituents.
no.
No,
No.
I know.
Why won't you explain the HLA process to us?
We were discussing HLA, and you kept saying HeLa cells, and so I just simply asked Tanei a question.
Hella system. Okay, is that better? Hella. HLA.
Hella cells. Yo, you got hella cells.
Yeah.
You got hella cells up in there protecting your body.
I bet you if this was holes of consciousness, you'd be ready to explain this to everybody. As soon as you get over here, you don't want to explain nothing.
If this was hose of consciousness.
This is crazy.
Wild. That is so wild and loaded.
Nasty
That was
work,
directly
right?
from them.
Chat said nasty work. You see that declassified?
Nasty work.
That's nasty
Wow.
work. Saul said charges no due process. Facts.
That's crazy. Yo, the chat is so crazy. I don't even have words for the chat. It's crazy.
So how does the HLA system work?
Well, it'll get you. You have the HLA system, not Hella or HeLa, just HLA. And it helps to distinguish what is you from what's not you.
Okay.
So if you have a problem with the HLA system, lots of infections, lots of colds, all the way up to autoimmune disease.
And they're attached to every cell.
Yeah. But it starts with the conversation of receptors. This is all protein.
Because the cells is touching the foreign cells. So are they recepting there? Are they recepting the foreign cells, the foreign material? Why are receptors important here? What's being recepted?
I just don't know how to answer these questions. I'm gonna just be honest. I just don't know what to say. It's
You
such
said
a
it
wild
comes
episode.
back to receptors.
Listen,
What's going into the receptor?
I just want to say this for the record.
The foreign material?
Hold on. At 9:48, I said we should just end the show. We should just cut our losses and just get out of here tonight. Like this, it's been wild tonight. It's been wild. We really, and you've persisted.
So why did you bring up receptors?
It's just getting wilder.
You brought up receptors. What's being recepted?
Well, sometimes the receptors are used for viral agents and bacterial infections.
Right. So the viruses are connecting to certain receptors.
Yeah, they can. Sometimes.
Which means the antigens didn't do their job.
Or the white blood cells, because they work together. See, this is why I was trying to get Tanei, who has eased back into the bushes like Homer Simpson. He's just eased back into the bushes. This is where I was saying when he was trying to talk to you about the immunoglobulins, aka the antibodies, right? To break it down and get the receptor, white blood cell, like get the whole immune system breakdown in there. And Tanai's still in the bushes. All right.
You're doing such a good job explaining it. I'm just like
I'm not doing a good job. I'm not doing,
Why you not? What you mean you're not doing a good job?
not doing a good job.
Yeah, no, I agree with chat now. If Unc somehow popped up in the Zoom right now, you'd be foaming at the mouth, ready to talk shit.
Yup.
So I agree with Chad on that, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish explaining that. So as he was talking about with the receptors, so again, viruses can use so COVID, we talk about ACE2 receptor. That was how the virus got into cells and started replicating.
Stop right there. Stop right there. The receptors, we talked about this last week. The receptors have a certain intelligence where they only accept certain things to connect to them?
More or less, yes.
Right.
However, if something has a similar shape, the receptor can also recognize it as well. So it's like, so say you have a lock, right? You have a key that normally goes into the lock, but somebody can come by with a lock pick and still unlock the lock.
Oh.
The virus has the antigen as the lock pick, because it's not really supposed to be going in there, but because it can fit into that shape, it can use that receptor to put its viral information in and then replicate.
So it puts its information inside the cell?
Through the antigen. For specifically COVID allows the spike protein gets into the ACE2 receptor, then you have an enzyme come and cleave part of the spike protein off. That allows the information to that allows encoding of different information inside of that ACE2 receptor.
They're connected.
But it also allows the virus to dock to that specific receptor.
They connecting to the antigen?
The antigen is connected to the virus, and then the virus uses that antigen to connect to the receptor.
That's crazy. So it's basically hijacking your antigens.
Yeah, well, the antigen is what the immune system recognizes as foreign.
Oh, the antigen is bad.
Itself,
I thought that was pathogen.
The pathogen is the whole organism. Oh. So the virus itself is the pathogen.
Oh.
Parts of the pathogen can be recognized as antigens.
I thought antigens was good for you. I thought they was fighting.
No, and if you have something that's antigenic, that's something that is eliciting an immune response.
So what's the good genic?
Hygienic.
I think the confusion is coming in because there's been a lot of misinformation from Robert D'Amato and his sons. And they have promoted the eat right for your blood type diet and has confused and put a lot of bad language out into the universe.
Wait. I'm thinking of antibodies. That's what it is. I'm thinking of antibodies.
Right. Those are different things. So the antibodies are made by your immune system. The antigen is what the antibody is made in response to.
Okay. That's what I'm thinking of. Antibodies,
and the antigens
antigens.
Also distinguish your blood types.
You said what distinguish your blood type?
Antigens.
Antibodies?
Antigens.
But antigens are bad. Why would that tell you your blood type?
That's what I'm saying. I just want to say that I've never been on a House of Consciousness show where they were selling loose Newports and Popeyes. I just want to say that for the record. Okay? That has never happened.
And that's the problem over there.
That is the problem over there. That is the problem over there. That's, man, they've got to start moving those loosies and getting that fried chicken going, because then that'll straighten everything out. That's exactly what's going on today.
No, the issue is,
I'm gonna put that in the suggestion box. Like, yo, you guys are not selling enough loose Newports around here.
The issue is they hiding that from people. When all them niggas is doped up on some shit, pretending. I come on and motherfucking tell you, I'm being real with the community. The hoes of consciousness is talking about, oh, don't do this, don't that. Next thing you know, they fucking raping kids and shit.
Okay, that is a nice segue. I mean, that's pretty good.
So
please
don't compare.
It's pretty hard to beat that. And it's hard to beat raping kids. It's hard to beat raping kids. But that is very extreme. That is kind of what.
Okay. So kind of what tonight. Don't compare us to the rape clan. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, the place that harbors rapists is not okay. We'll stick to our Newports and our Popeyes, and you stick to the rapists.
That is crazy.
Since we want to go there,
you know
what I'm saying?
I'm not sure that we went there.
We did. We just went there. We went there.
We went there, but I'm not sure that's where we're going.
How dare you compare this to that? That is an unfair comparison. Nasty work, right, Tari? Yeah, we honest about our addictions over here. Lawrence says it's getting hot in here.
is wild. I just at 9:48. I just want to remind everybody. So it's been a classic episode of KeMedicine.
I ain't gonna hold you. I honestly thought episode 29 was gonna be the crazy one. I didn't think it was gonna be this one.
30 is a special number. Today is a special day. 18th is the number of completion, which means next week we go into a new cycle on the next episode. So I'm looking forward to that. It's 7:30 on the West Coast. I have bad news. There will be no KeMedicine next week.
And the crowd goes crazy.
I have to do a podcast.
That is wild.
Yeah. So we'll have to be back the following week.
Next week, KeMedicine on Dr. EnQi's channel with Professor Tanei.
Yeah, y'all should do that. Y'all should do that. Y'all should do it on,
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, do that. Keep it going. Don't let me hold up the show. I got to promote this film.
We just got to add that to the list of tonight's. I mean, I just keep saying we should end it because every time we don't end it, it just another thing happens. It gets even crazier. So we top off the Newports, the Popeyes, the Dust, and just and I forgot to mention. Next week there'll be no KeMedicine. Forgot to mention next week there'll be no KeMedicine.
I totally forgot when I was booking shit. They gave me a date and I was like,
I got other things to do.
No,
I got other things to do. As you just said that I was. Right?
I just wanted to get the earliest date possible as close to the release of the film.
I violated the KeMedicine family because I have other engagements, because I'm out doing other things.
I
will have you family to know that no matter what I was doing on anyone's platform anywhere, I never said that we're canceling an episode of KeMedicine so that I could be somewhere else doing something other than.
I have to promote Hotep Jesus in other ways.
We understand, sir.
We have a film coming out, a very important film that I have to promote. So I have to get on a large platform with 2 million people and let them know that we have a film coming out.
Go ahead, slap us around now. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Just go ahead and insult us now. You guys are insignificant. I'm going to a real show where there's lots of people at. Yeah. So you guys going over there with EnQi, Tanei, and the other 11 or 12 people. And yeah. I'll be out doing that rock star thing with Uncle Hotep.
That's not what I was trying to say.
I know, you know.
I had to promote. I got to promote.
Newports and chicken for everyone.
Yeah, you played Victor. My bad tonight. Okay, so we got the virus connected to the antigen receptors. It's invading.
Your segue game is me. I just want you to understand that. That segue game, like you had to be a DJ back in the days. The crossfader is crazy.
That's DJ Hot Stuff.
It's DJ Hot Stuff.
DJ Hot Stuff. I knew it. The crossfader game is crazy.
So what happened? So continue tonight. The pathogen and the antigens, and they hijack the cell.
And so when you have an antigen, your body can recognize it, and then when it does, it sends out, or it makes the antibodies, and then when you have the antibodies, that's kind of like a flag for the immune system to come run down on the pathogen.
But what about the innate immunity versus the adaptive? You want to just break that down for him?
So you have a part of your immune system that is kind of always working, and it's like a base level of immunity. That's your innate immunity. And then you have your adaptive immunity. So your adaptive immunity changes in response to things that you come into contact with. So in your innate immunity, you have parts of your body that will just automatically try to recognize things that come in and be like a general defense mechanism. So if you're thinking about it as, I'm trying to think of like a simple way to put it.
And you also have long-term memory, so new things can become a part of that as well.
New things. So parts of your adaptive immunity can eventually become part of your innate immunity.
Yeah.
Now, vaccines sometimes sidestep the innate immune system and go straight to the adaptive immune system, and that usually causes autoimmune diseases.
No.
That's what a doctor told me.
I need you to stop it with the vaccines, brother. You have to stop that. Okay? It's the Newports. Just leave the vaccines alone. Just don't. No, sir.
That's what they said. They said it skips parts.
That doctor lied. Doctors used to sell cigarettes back in the days. Doctors were selling cigarettes.
Yeah.
Doctors lied.
Yeah, coach. Yeah, that's true. So that's the HLA system?
Yes.
What Tanei described as the HLA system?
We're going to do better next week. I promise y'all we're going to do better.
Huh?
We're going to do better. So whatever 7 or 8 people do show up to next week's KeMedicine, we're gonna have an informative.
I'm trying to figure out how this thing works. These niggas don't want to give me no answers. This is fucked up. 2 smart niggas don't want to help me out and shit.
Look, HLA is not my thing. That's
Oh, that's EnQi's thing.
Yeah, that's not my thing.
And he won't explain it to me.
Just add it to my debit card. Put it on the list of charges. Write it up, Jeremiah. Where you at? You keeping track of things. Write it up. Add it on there.
This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. No, sir. No, sir. What time is my flight? So, EnQi, you're not going to explain the HLA system?
The bad things can get you if you're not healthy. And so that's how that really works. So you have the people who are having kale salads,
mm-hmm.
and they have a really robust immune system.
Because
they're having kale salad.
Why is a kale salad going to make your immune system better?
Because it's not Popeyes.
This doesn't sound too scientific.
Well, I mean,
EnQi's a broken man at this point. We broke him, yeah.
This was a rough episode for me. I've never had anyone have Popeye's chicken on the episode.
I ain't gonna, yo.
I don't know.
That was definitely crazy. I can't.
Is it that bad?
I can't front. That was crazy.
Is it that bad?
If this was a 9 to 5, I would have contacted my union reps and we would be outside protesting with signs about the work conditions. The work conditions is crazy.
Is it that bad?
It was like the box positioned it, and then like the crunch on top of it was just it was so flagrant. It was so flagrant. Like
She said my uncle.
That was pretty crazy.
My uncle ate healthy, nothing but fruit and vegetables, no red meat, no swine, died of cancer in his 60s. Where was his immune system at?
I knew it.
Talk your shit. Talk your shit.
It is wild out there. See, that is a victim right there of community scholars.
Markel said, I know for a fact Brother Suntan eating Popeyes when he closes his screen.
Okay, now hold on. Let's just take a beat right now. Right now is where we take a moment. Why is it that Markel knows who Suntan is? Like, how does he know Suntan? You see, this is what I was.
We're on the last debate.
You was in the debate with him.
No.
You was in the post debate with Brother Suntan. Brother Suntan
was on the last debate.
How many times I got to be on an episode? You know how many times I got to watch a show to remember the names of the people?
You can never forget the name Brother Suntan.
Suntan is such a ridiculous name. Like, how do you not remember that?
Yo, I remember I saw his name on the screen. I asked the chat. I said, does that nigga's name say Suntan? Hey, he don't got no suntan.
I just this is what I'm gonna say. I think that everybody should go immediately from here and listen to the Jesus music playlist.
No, sir.
I think that's what it's needed.
No, sir. Brother Suntan is like Pop said. Hotep
Elder
said.
Elder Suntan.
Fucking
Suntan is-
Elder Suntan is taking a long drag of a Newport after a good meal. That nigga's definitely got a disease or two.
Wow.
He got the beaties or something.
This
I know
has
he
been
got
a
a
very
disease.
Aggressive show tonight.
I know he got a disease. He said it on the show. Don't he got something like missing hair or something?
Don't he got something? Here.
Yo, don't Brother Suntan, ain't he got an ailment or some shit? And then
Hold on.
you said
Like
something
missing
about
hair.
it.
Hold on.
And
Like
then
missing hair.
and then Sa scolded you for it. Elder Suntan is worse. Yo, Elder Suntan is crazy. Well, how you get the name Suntan? Why would somebody name that nigga Suntan? And he light as hell. That nigga the same color as butter. Talking about some damn suntan. Yeah,
You see,
he got gout.
That right there is evidence. Hold it. Hold. That's evidence of what I'm saying tonight. HJ doesn't even know who Suntan is. This is the point that I'm making. Suntan is the only person on the show, HJ, darker than me and you.
No way.
This
Brother
is what
Suntan?
This is why I'm saying you don't even know, and this is why I'm saying Markel clearly is a HOK constituent.
No, Brother Suntan light skin, ain't he?
That's my point that I'm making. Markel clearly has been watching the HOK.
Brother Suntan, the dark one?
And see, everybody over here in Hotepistan is honest about their addictions, except their addiction for the HOK. And listen, it is HOK.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, this was Elder Suntan. I see him now. I'm thinking the other cat.
I know which one you thinking about. The one that Sai was arguing with. I don't remember.
Yeah.
EnQi was the one that made them start fighting with each other.
Yeah.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
I did not. They've been fighting with each other every single day for the past few years. That's what they do.
So you came by, you fanned the flames a little bit.
I did not.
Saw what you did.
I did not.
Yes,
I was increasing the passion level for study. That's what I was doing specifically. I was there to increase the passion level for study and reading and self-reflection.
Okay.
Who
trying
is
to spread some intelligence, education.
Wait, hold on.
Readers or leaders.
I'm about to find this nigga. I see him on the screen now. All right, so I see Suntan.
Is this
okay? Yeah, Suntan's
trolling?
dark. He look like a
wild,
slave.
Is this just wild trolling right now? Is this unabated trolling right now?
I mean, you're not explaining the HLA system, so now we got to resort
Are
to
we
trolling.
blackmailing? Are we bullying and blackmailing EnQi again? Is this what are we? This is crazy.
Apostle. That's Apostle. That's his name. Apostle Zakan Tal Mayad. Is that still his name?
Is that still his name, bro? That's crazy.
Apostle Zakan Tal Mayad.
How could it not still be his name? What you mean is that still his name? This is wild.
This episode has completely gone off the rails.
All right, I just wanted to make sure, cause look, brother Suntan's not up there. I was thinking about this nigga right here that looked like Heavy D. That's what I thought was brother Suntan.
That's Elder Apostle.
We at KeMedicine and Associates hereby file a motion to countersue for the grievous damages related to the consistent and blatant promotion of Popeye's chicken and Newport cigarettes. Denied.
What?
Denied.
This is crazy.
I don't know why he calls himself Suntan. Maybe because he's dark. I don't know.
That could be it.
Oh, it's egregious. But yeah, this all started from the fact that EnQi won't explain the HLA system because he's rather gives his time to the hose of consciousness than Hotepistan he's deemed as unworthy. And that's pretty trash of a thing to do.
That is crazy. We're not going to talk about Jeremiah.
Yeah, that's deflection. We know the deflection tactic.
Got
and yeah,
Got
that's
it.
that's
We're not
straight
gonna
out
talk
of
about Jeremiah or the
Saul,
Popeye's chicken.
Saul
We're not gonna talk
Alinsky.
about the Popeye's
That's
chicken either.
Saul
Got it.
Alinsky deflection. I'm
The
aware of it. Democrats love to
PCP
use that in a
the
debate.
PCP dip blunts. We're not gonna mention.
There's
that.
one person in a debate you could never beat, and that's me. So you got to slow down. You got to slow your roll. I know all the tricks.
Okay.
I know all the tricks. Okay, I've seen them all. I've dealt with them all. Tricks don't work. Just say you don't want to teach us about the HLA system.
Just set up the debate. Me versus you, HJ. We're debating.
We here
Popeye's
right
chicken.
now.
No.
We here right now.
All right. Well, go. You got the first round. Open up.
You ready?
Yep.
You on a platform that harbors rapists. I'm on
Done.
a platform.
You won the debate. You won the debate. It's over. You won the debate. I don't need to win the debate that bad.
Hey, yo.
Crazy.
I thought we was gonna go there. I thought you wanted to debate.
I thought we were going to have a debate as well, but clearly you're into kicking in the dick and kicking in the dick, gouging the eyes. That's what you want to do. You want to kick in. You want to go. So this, yeah. Okay, I'll tap. I learned. I've taken jujitsu for a long time. I tap early and often. You just tap out. You just tap out. When they got you around the neck, if they just playing too rough, you just tap out. Don't respond in kind. Because sometimes when you're rolling in jujitsu, the other person can get too aggressive, and then you can respond before you know it. Somebody's arm is broken.
Mm-hmm.
It's good to be the responsible party and just say, "Hey, whoa, that is a little aggressive. Let me go ahead and tap. We can." Yeah, we should end it. This is. Let me tap out. That is crazy. That is wow. We are just practicing, sir. That was very aggressive. Go ahead and get us out of there immediately. That was nasty.
We just wanted the HLA system, and you won't explain to us. That's all I'm saying. You'd rather give it to.
I was trying. I think we actually covered it. That was crazy.
Chat, did we cover it? One in the chat if we covered the HLA system. Two if we did not.
I don't think that people who don't know what the HLA system is can tell us if we covered it or not.
They will know.
Okay. But then you're right. The chat full of people saying that they're getting Popeye's fried chicken first thing in the afternoon tomorrow.
We got twos in the chat. They have no idea about the HLA system. They haven't gotten the information. And we can't leave until we get that information out of you. We're going to hold you hostage. We're going to hold the chat hostage. Yeah, he said we definitely did not cover the HLA system. Yeah, Frank. He's holding it hostage. He's gatekeeping information.
That is crazy.
all that charity work, all that philanthropy.
Yo, HJ is a master. You are watching a master at work. That's all I can say.
It's just honesty.
Okay.
Transparency.
Right.
Hard to come by these days, especially on a platform that harbors.
Sabotages you with Popeye's chicken.
She said, I know what an HVAC system is, not an HLA. You know what I'm saying?
You forced me to sell Popeye's chicken.
Paul Johnson said that JET school students know about the HLA system. Well, the JET school got two students in it. You and Tika, nigga.
Paul.
It's two students over there. You and Tika.
Paul, don't help me right now, Paul. Just let this pass. Let this pass. This too shall pass. This too shall pass.
Oh my God.
Maybe you guys will cover it next week. Hopefully you guys can cover it next week. He said EnQi hasn't shared any information tonight. Ooh.
I actually did. I said Popeye's chicken is bad for you. So
This is wild work. This is wild work.
But I do love you guys in the chat, and I will, except for Jeremiah, and sometimes Keisha and Pop. I do love everybody else in the chat, especially Heather.
Shout out to Heather. This
Shout out
is
to
treason as defined in the Constitution. This is definitely treason. Definitely treason. Definitely treason. At least Max B's home. That's good news.
Free to wave.
That's good news for the Bronx. You know.
It's good news for New York. It's good news for rap music.
I'm supposed to meet up with Max B soon. I'm gonna tell him how trash you are from the Bronx.
That's crazy.
Chat, that's been another episode of KeMedicine. It is now 10 p.m.
Well, and specifically, that was another episode of Kicking in the Ding Ding. just to make sure we close out with the proper score here.
HJ is gonna be Hollywood MIA next week, so we'll see if me and EnQi will keep going with episode 31 at Jed's school.
We will definitely be keeping it going with episode 31. We will not be how that saying go? One monkey don't stop the show.
One monkey don't stop the show. Yeah.
Come on now.
Keep it going. Make sure y'all go subscribe to the Jazz School. Let me get y'all the link. Okay, I know it's gonna be some.
HJ is a monkey too.
I am a monkey.
I'm not touching that. I just had an evolution debate. I don't believe in that concept. I understand that Tanei is a college professor and he may have to teach such. And HJ is delusional from
that's my
years of Newports and dipped blunts.
That's my Chinese zodiac.
Yeah, he's a monkey.
I'm a monkey in the Chinese zodiac.
Once again, HJ is delusional from dipped blunts and Newports.
That's the channel right there. Let me pin it to the top. Y'all go subscribe to the channel. Next Tuesday is going to be on that channel. I should be getting my confirmation to go do the show next week. So, yeah, I did schedule for next Tuesday. It's the only date they had. The other dates were like in December or something like that. And I was like, I kind of need this to go right along with the movie premiere. So, yeah, I'm going to be in there before the movie premiere. You know what I'm saying? I'll be back tomorrow, 2 p.m. Eastern, for another episode of Hotep Jesus Live. I already got some crazy shit in the bag.
Well, I have a question.
Oh, God.
I just have one question.
For who?
For you.
Okay.
Will you be wearing the glasses on Tuesday night at 8?
I will not be wearing the glasses.
Okay.
Because I won't be on a science show.
That is very disrespectful.
I won't be on a science show. Why would I wear the glasses if I'm not on a science show?
I think the glasses have become a symbol. They become more than
These
science.
are KeMedicine only glasses.
I don't know how I feel about that.
These are KeMedicine only glasses.
I would like to see you wear those with a pilot jacket and some Timberlands.
Ladies and gentlemen, another episode of KeMedicine. I'll see y'all tomorrow, 2 p.m. We out of here.
Stop snorting, move, cause ooh, 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 ooh.